Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Smile will bring a sunshine day. Everybody do what you doing. Smile will bring a sunshine day.
Everybody do what you do. Your smile will bring a sunshine day. Everybody do what you do. Your smile will bring a sunshiny day.
Everybody do what you doing. Smile will bring a sunshine day. Everybody
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
sunshine day.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yes. Maminfa asera kese emfama sports crew no. Mumoni adwuma. Ba me shase dia na me shase afia no pa. DJ Tony the Gospel by and a DJ Vibe beso mu. And a Okoman Kasa team ni so mu. Abusho mu so mu wie no. Omo didi musa na announcement nso beso mu. Na asera kese enkoma the boy ono so tena mu di adodem special no. Efi adade no. Ebo omodin ade beso mu yen. Afe ye didi musa. And a sports team nso ebeso mu. Wonsu wodi akogu. Abushu asamre edume nso meso so. Se me ba beso mo ma kronkro Ghana. Na samre wo ha wodadwere mebuo na wusu bigu esa ne se Yesu kra ye jahem ha your Okoman 97.1 radio. This is the most safest drive, the most exciting, entertaining, educative, informative drive time. A Ghana for baby Abafabia ye ka ho asem. Yadamasio buru. Yadamasi adeshe, yadamasi akadonfo, yadamasi eye abrimpon. Se abri biara mutie dwumadie. Eye Akwaaba drive. Ye from in Nana Kwame Mpere. Ubetimi from the finest the meme nyina aka atwire ne me. Aseda kese pa nkoma eye DJ Ziggy, chief technician papa. Na minna eye Sami A.K.A DJ Donzi. Odeni official eye DJ de madwumadie. Victor Ohene da Kulisto A.K.A The Boy. And so Samri Ameno Kasei. I am a producer mapa. Executive producer the Majumade. I am Mr. Kofi Ansoba for Nana Okore. Sounds na Parkwesi. Any of my for Kenya Tamechi. And a Samri maybe some more Macron Ghana. Na me show boss Samri. Pitinomi and Sa Kosi Nonsia. We don't hold that. It's an essay asresem. And in near Samre, Ebemu Akonkain. And I am a said yes, me no, a yo radio so. Once again, you're from Nana, Kwame Mpere. Ubetimi from the finest. I remember you na catch you in a man. Akwaaba.
Welcome. Where's the Lord? Akwaaba on la rive. Welcome. Where's the Lord? Akwaaba on la rive.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
They will sing. And you're my bank
We are blessed.
Oh, I am a new
We are blessed.
Soyez your déchets. Quoi sono bio. Yesu mojano. Aye your déchets. Beni quoi sono bio. Yesu mojano. Aye your déchets. Beni quoi sono bio. Matimi wa. Yesu. Oh Yesu dimu. Yesu mojano. Aye your déchets. Beni quoi sono bio. Oh yeah, Yesu mojano. Aye your déchets. Beni quoi sono bio. Oh yeah. Oh
Okoman Radio 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blessed. Okoman Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blessed. Praise the Lord, hallelujah. Praise the Lord, hallelujah. I say, praise Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blessed. Okoman Radio 97.1. Station with your man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
What thinking there will be out there? What thinking there will be out there? We're face to face with Jesus. We join everyone in a better land. Singing there will be out there. Oh, the glory for the saints we share. Hallelujah. Oh, glory, glory,
Okoman Radio 97.1.
yeah, but I won't go to be. But I won't go.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Praise the Lord, hallelujah. Praise the Lord, hallelujah. I say, praise the Lord, hallelujah. Praise the Lord, hallelujah. Oh, I mean it. Now, I want to get you. I can let you go to one side, you know. I want to get you down. Hello.
And now Yazali the 8th day in the month of October 2021. Osuru hini yadawase. Aye biafu nyankopon yadawase. Titibeme nyankopon samri yadawase. Hwediampo nyamia samre. Wadania dunsia usikwa fifiri abua abofo. Na abrefo dan wo. Woye nufutebre ba samre empempem enum wano. Enso wabasa emu debiara da. Akasia baje waseda wate. Akasia baje wontontom wate. Akasia samre ni eka ne se yeda wase. Se wodi ene dei adomoma. Na you awrade Yesufra ye yin adam. Woji yaso. Woma wupe eye ho. Woni imprempre nyankopon asamre. Wadani kokromoti agentimi nsan ho ammopo da biara da. Acha so nyame a wo chamani so obia so. Awiabre ikasa. Awiabre maunsa so. Awiabre akoma bia tin. Adwuma bia mu ayatin. Yapem enso enko. Adwuma bia yeye. Enso yehu so mfaso. Babi biara yedi yeti ani yedin akoshe. Yetwamo Yesu Kristo dimu. Esa ne se woka obi nkabi. Yafra kantamantu nyankopon. Brubru basaku nyankopon asamre. Empempom gusu twere wonso wabasamu. What is the Alpha and Omega? The King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. The omnipotent God, the omnipresent God. Aseda kasiya pa ni yade ma wa wiabre. So wabo okuapema ho ban. Wabo Ghana ho ban. Wabo epiema ntemu ban. Ene miamia bebre awurade gusu bo ye ho ban. Asundwe ya Ghana ma ye enjoy. Ana asundwe awurade wode adom yen. Amama bebre enya bi. Enti ebekoswa de waseda de ama so ne ese afata. Ene eye fiada. Finest, freaky, fabulous, fantastic Friday. Na maybe say wo why you handkerchief no dada? And you don't say ube himpa. You don't say ube himpa. Or say at the mention of the name every knee shall bow and every tongue shall confess that indeed Jesus is Lord. And for any sunny situation and found the sunny eka eguso and found the samre and imguasiani atitia samre and nama fufrosua wunya. A grady best success story no Mantesa wo Jimmy so Missy a grady best success story no at the amount. Eti anya how anya aya agwindwin and a bit to me a success story no. No more lift up your eyes unto the Lord. Share a grady anim Soti aya ahingwanim Suguno so Kasaguno so Bisanisem na grady be you are no. Ya from me na Kwame Mpere. Woman to me from the finest the man in our catch me. Wait any a friend of Akwaaba Drive. Surface Drive, your late afternoon shower. Taxi drivers, truck drivers. Adwumaya fo ahodo. Mamu officers ahodo. Munyina magiatum. Medamase damasio. Ene me no be chensemfo abi. Sania, your Bible cast the joy of the Lord is my strength. Awurade ani je ene ma ho odin. Maybe so say edin ene wa ho odin. Abadedin ni wo Yehowa. Wumu ene ani je ewo. Wumu ene nkudimidi ewo. Wumu ene enkoso wo. Awurade sa wo paw ye chi a. Enwan bi oni ye bekwakoso a kire no. Wan bi ompokura po na ebedom yen. Anything you say, your bonny, ya facha yen. Esa ne say ye bonny, ya Adam asefo, enti bonny bata ye ho. Ewiabre me no. Emfa ya no fafai ensre bonny facha emfie awurade ho. Baby owo bi asiwuti aseka kra bi. Na bo awurade mpai se awurade. Bonny bia ma ye edane no me. Ewo mabura bo so facha me. Na yimi fi bone ho dome na ka me ho na tutu manamo esiye asese ya nanasia obema emosia asori ayina ye na ene baby amigina nie. The joy of the Lord is my strength. Edia na ofisa wo ya eye awurade anije ukuta de na onu abisa wa wo mani bi. Me sure say wo ma afoforo po. Me jemi say samre afoforo pe sanka obe from ntuma we from. Afoforo pe say samre obe mo aduane wa mo. Afoforo pe say samre akonya bi abeda ho onua. Wodi bi bedom mo no, wadom mo bi. Na wonya we inu mu nyina bi no. Otwabere ne so a. Aso obe bi sa say abere akomode me no. Wo ma aduane di ye. Abra samre me dadeja me pe bibia kata madeja so no ma me bibi ehye yana. Bring it a time is exactly 20 after 3. And now exactly the 8th day in the month of October 2021. This is the day the Lord have made. We have to rejoice and be glad in it. And now yakupon the adu yenye. Work like there is no tomorrow. Act like there is no tomorrow. Behave like there is no tomorrow. Do everything you can today. Nia ubetimi ye ene due bia de aboa wabrabo ye. Yes sir, echine bi kura ni baby. Yes sir, samre echine bi kura mabio. Yes sir, samre dafufuro bi na wani mu bio. and try to put in the maximum effort I will to media share Jumana and ne Yamia Dumwa when you know Punya Binsuya Kakrabia name Pibobia Wobobia Yerohobo. Now there are better days ahead of you. And Napano da Wanima Sambre Araba Euradiba man and Sasua Marasi a year. Mindo Bibiara say na me mo wonum wei na me fan shira wo awiabrei e baby awobia me mamunyina good afternoon at the bar the surface drive so Akwaaba e wo Okoman 97.1 ya from Nana Kwame Mpere
Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman
I have been through. You turn my pit into a well.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
It's centered on your grace.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
I've been through a lot, but grace sustained me. My test is now a testimony. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. It was you, my lawyer in that courtroom. It was you, my soldier on that battlefield. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace.
We are blazing.
Lord, the essence of my praise is centered on your grace.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Hey, Lord, the essence of my praise is centered on your grace.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Who has changed my story? Who has given me a song?
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
You and just your grace. You have changed my story. Protocol breaker, you made a way. You turned my mourning into dancing. It is you and just your grace.
Okoman Radio.
Could not have made it without you. Hey. Could not have sailed through without you.
I wish you can join us live on Facebook.
Grace and mercy.
Hey, Okoman 97.1.
So the essence
I know your FB and our Facebook.
on your grace.
Bomadiana joining you live. Jumadiani Koso FATMA.
Not have made it without
Wubachimi ako Instagram on so. Hey, Okoman
through
97.1. And also Instagram name.
loving kindness and grace.
I feel Bomadiana ko YouTube and so.
Through
Hey, Okoman 97.1.
grace.
Jumadian Wubachimi at the comment. I feel Sanya won so. Nyamia ya watum. Ene mpempenso a odo wabedu ahokyere kodanda bi yesua wo enso awurade atom ayi wafim ni nyina wobetimi aye ne message wo me wo no ho me kire Okoman 97.1 afi wo wutie dwumadie wadwenkyere ene ni a opesa wo ka bia it is welcome Facebook wobetimi akọ Okoman 97.1 unya boy apeno wa join no wa share mo amu so dada no mo share na afoforo entinka mo share na afoforo ni akire mo share na afoforo hu ni ekọ isan se ne de no ha na ni nyina ego asire di ka me fama eye Acro Farms Limited omo no mo bo modern so masen na me de ofe di kan e de bere Ghana man na me ka Acro Farms Limited a Spence layers yi eye nkoko a ya bo modern ato awie nkoko a ya ato awie abusha wodi omudi dwumadie bia ekoyie enti se nnuane na wo benu ama ahoho bronyan ana se odwire ye bai Ojani nebedika abanza bro nya di akire. Bamadia. So be kwa kope Akro Farms. Eye enkoko papa yi bi. Na wonso di adi dwumadi nti restaurant ahodo. Chobas ahodo. Afe munso a moye aduane ade ma afoforo. Sa we caterer, we matron. Wo pa akoko nam papa samre yi. Wo de ye adwumadi bia na sa wo de bon kwan bia ekoye. Wo de bo frɛ kra sebe ne denko. And one spent layers in a war Akro Farms. And Kokoni a home ye. I'm 2 years, I'm there, no case. None why a mammy by Coco Bon coin with you. Oh, that day me coco and Timmy Dinina. 82 America, now so copebi. Akro Farms were passare. A passare. For the accounting points, Otra, Adoso Cacrabia, a passare, I won't send you faso. So what you say, Akro Farms on Sandy Faso, a passare Ubedo, we do one on Sandy Faso, Ubom Sampa, and Jumeko Cashier, the Akro Farms, at the Hodeja. Now, Omokroyan, so what 12 weeks cockles. And Kokoma, Meno Casay, Yabom Pany in Safata, 12 weeks pepe, or my Akokomwa. Ajumedi be a person di omukodu betimi di omakodi amana ye. Na empani ayabom we bi ni Marks, AB1, Gamporo, and FFR Pox. For Akro Farms Limited, I was 0245 187871, 0245 187871, and 0553 339355. Akro Farms Limited. I say Enkoko Papa Efie. Samson I said oh. Memfama Okoman 97.1 Radio, Akro City Entertainment, Travel and Sea Youth Club, Fly Air Fan Club, Local Council of Churches Ekropone Kwapem, FA Honorable Ebenezer Asante Bempo, Assembly Member Duma Osambrom Electoral Area. Aside di ho enkoma adwuma koi ene ankrankrai na ne wo mu ni se a pre-Ojura Festival cleanup exercise. Juma Day Baso Echina Nyampa 19th October 2021. Na time no 7 a.m. Starting point in a brew station. Kosi Council Ekropon Bakayo Osambronfo Honorable Ebenezer Asante Bempo Enemonso Befa Eye Bora na ewo ho no na yahyehew no sanya beya empotam wonso betimi aye clean pa awowo bebre na fi eye mmia bia bebre ameno ka say odwrai worba ababua ya menye di ne soronko ejabushia open kiremu bebre afrempanyini I was 0246 382978 and you shake the bowl 0246 382878 shake the bowl na money and also adding chiremu wo obema afa Reverend Dr. Kwaisi chairman the local council of churches Ekropon ubetimi afren was 0244 632516 0244 632516 afa ononyamfo Carlos and so ubetimi afren was 0243 768184 Wabe Joso Nate Okoman 7.1 Radio in collaboration with Akro City Entertainment, Travel and Sea Youth Club, Fly Fan Club, Local Council of Churches Ekropone Kapem, Honorable Ebenezer Asante Bempo, Osambrom Electoral Area Assemblyman, and at the pre-Ojura Festival cleanup exercise Ebro. Don't be left out. I say come on, come on, come on, come on. Mia penny. And also when ya exactly 43 years. Yeah, from Mr. Fianco, War Allied Filling Station. And ne wawada. Happy birthday, Kasiepa and Komaonia. Nami sure bebre. Any akomapa adwempo awode aboa eye ankurankure any afoforo bebre na mento nkwandam onyi na be nipa kese na koso aye kese no wase end koso a entrew enkodum pempeso a wa obehu sampa awurade ayama na aboro sosoronko ya from Mr. Fianco once again happy birthday Kasiepa and Komao. The essence of the praise is centered on your face. Adam, Wadum. Who has changed my story? Who has given
given me a song. Turn my mourning into dancing. It is you and just your grace. You have changed my story. Protocol breaker, you made a way.
And it's exactly 31 after 3.
Dancing.
I wish you make out say you're the sports update, bro. As I'm saying, so beba. And what you know, the Almighty Okoman Court. And also a beba wakwem. Na ene if you rabi.
Without you.
And now what bomodia?
Your loving kindness.
Asansi name rasrum kubi. Tenant in swano hunu. Say if you're a woody sorry, yes, I am man. Wouldn't be a coffee is sikafi. It is Ambre, I was a my dear Jumakra. This is many more coming up on the show. I know you're gonna have a very great moment with me on radio. Anyway, to God be the glory. It's time for me to turn things around, and this is how I start my evening. Mama Munyina Akwaaba at the bar Okoman Akwaaba drive you. So you're from me, Nana Kwame Mpere. Mama, good evening once again.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
My men one can also when I call. If it's a witch about me, I will pen the middle of mini baby caught. Baby do so baby so to men for pin what betty caught. And the young car radio. The young for cool people. Young Yafata, who didn't miss a minute to Wakasa. Mama didn't have a look who will push your phone, the bigger bompata. Yamunia was like I
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
I'm a bomb enough, Mimabon and Yasadia Dambina, Mebo, Yamidia will no man any Pachamena for Coco, in your view, Mimabo, the better water with Amato, Yakoko,
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Udonasuma Mintineko, Open honeymoon on the moon, catch me and cock, Ebo Wakumu Coco, Kimamina Kuma Yankoto, Minko Sunkachi, and Aminsi Sankano Poto. Baby girl, cool for me, no cry, no swimming pool for me.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
I don't go break no rules for me. Done the loving school for real. I've got all you need, so nobody worry, just cool for me. The love is like a treasure, girl, me got the tool for dig. Those jail could have measure super heavyweight thing me bring. Man, I try separate, we have these thing me bring. And if I loving thing,
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Da 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 dee dee da dee dee da da dee da da. Kim a minute see me wanna can you na me tia da da. Eddie and the papi be a penny wa hansi brabe da da.
The 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
This girl stole my heart.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Anytime you walk across, girl, I fear confusion. You make me start a thing and me need a conclusion.
Okoman
Anytime you
Radio.
walk across, girl, I fear confusion. You make me start a thing and me need a conclusion.
Yo, Okoman FM. Why you say, Opreke say Ghana Edu, and say follow my friend. Yo, radio Bakopedu for say Utia, intimate to the Okoman FM, 97.1. Ah, who inside?
Don't the hand it is sucker for love. We am equal to who sent from above. But I'm from the remainder for your time for any man who say enough is enough. You want no man make it like you are. So who's in the money is sharp. I'm never let her come out with this over my was someone you want to walk up. Baby, what's up? Anytime you walk up,
Okoman Radio 97.1. The 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Tell me where we gonna run go. When them say we have to pay for the oxygen we breathe. I'm coming now, Mr. Big Man. You know this everybody want to go and go off for it. A simple life.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Give me love and give me shelter. Simple life. It's all we want to see. Give me food, give me clothes, give me love and give me shelter. Yeah, wanna hear me please. This hour me a song, me a sing from the deep. Down in me, I've done me a feel like the weak.
Station with your man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okoman FM. Why you say Oplekese Jane do and some follow man a friend. Yo, radio back up don't press with tia. Intimate to baby but Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, we need size.
Where we gonna run go? After making our motherland a better place to live. Tell me where we gonna run go? When them say we have to pay for the oxygen we breathe. Answer me now, Mr. Big Man. You know this everybody wants to go run go
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okoman FM. Why you say Oplekese Jane do and some follow man a friend. Yo, radio back up don't press with tia. Intimate to baby but Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, we need size.
It's all we want. Give me food, give me clothes, give me love, and give me shelter. Well then, enough of them sell out. Bun them sell out. Be selfishness to see them sell out. With the life, them tell a lie. The truth they will always try to hide. Yeah, call a spade and don't call it a dagger. Living big at the expense of a brother. You don't have no pride, you think you rich, you is a robber. Get you the first thing you living big at the expense of a brother. You don't have no pride, you think you rich, you is a robber. Get you the first thing you where we gonna run go? After making our motherland a better place to live. Tell me where we gonna run go? When them say we have to pay for the oxygen we breathe. Answer me now, Mr. Big Man.
Yo, Okoman FM. Why you say Oplekese Jane do and some follow man a friend. Yo, radio back up don't press with tia. Intimate to baby but Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, we need size.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Pesa me kase me feel ku ba you judge yourself. Okoman you so na ne power ha.
Abraham Maneka say, Mom's joint back. A man for a kufu. Okoman Radio. Oh, my champion. Okoman from my bank and your cry. Must say, size. No one will cry. No boy, you are not two. There should be any size. What? And your prayer must say, baby, who is like what?
Can't take you off my mind. Girl, you are the one I truly love. I want you to believe I'm truly yours. Looking at me eyes, I'm serious. I know will make you cry no more. I don't know, mama, don't stop. Now say soon you me out now, mommy, can't answer. Hey, you mean ma? Now me cry out my boy.
Station with your man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Mami shower now, be I am a passa. Me to muna, me to musema ya boni. Na fatia mi o mi de. Me to muna, me to musema ya boni.
We are blessed.
With you, my baby. Girl, I know I got you wrong.
Abraham Maneka say, Mom's joint back. A man for a kufu. Okoman Radio. Oh, we are champion. Okoman from my bank and you can you cry? Must say baby, me no one will cry. No boy, you are not true. There should be any tears. Who is size what?
How I wanna let you know the truth. I want you promise me you wouldn't leave me if I let you know the truth. I know you hate me if I speak the truth, but I promise you that life is better only when we live it true. Yeah, you know that I'm a man of roots. I'm going conscious by the day, so I know I'm living you.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
The alphabet, so I could put you next to letter I. Take my heart when we carry go. If you leave me, baby, I go die. Let's is the kitty. Okay, bro, put it clean. I know you're rissy. Nisi much rest, my siri. Open it once, I'm in chilly.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Golden tree chocolate, yeah. Me chat all day, each and every day, my own. That time of the chase, I'm then no money day. My own. See my heart, I push it on, I dey grind for my 10K. my own. Like the air and the feeling for everywhere I go. My own. See the money, baby, come chop them for me. Oh. And every say, what's up in here? What's up in here? Oh, the my lonely brother, bet chat to me. Chat to me, girl. Yeah. With time,
Okoman Radio 97.1.
And the dinner you just for
Okoman Radio 97.1.
My own. That time of the chase and then no money there. My own. See my husband push it up and they grind for my
Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, or black as a gun, and some follow my friend. Yo, radio back up, I don't perceive what you are. Intimate to be a better Okoman FM 97.1. We decide.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Listen, much that smile, serious. Open one family, no chilly. Baby, brownie, yeah. Golden tree chocolate, yeah. Me totally, yeah. Each and every day, we love it. My own. That time on the chase, and then no money there. My own. See my husband push it up and they grind for my king, yeah. My own. Like the air and the feeling for everywhere I go.
97.1.
My own. See the money, baby, come chop them for me, oh.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Tell me how to love you, and I will.
Talk to me, baby.
I don't mind whatever it takes. You are the only one I want and no one knows.
Station Media Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
I'll do anything for you, 'cause my life means nothing without you.
You stole my heart and made it yours. So I wanna be with you.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
When I was weak,
Okoman Radio.
Oh girl,
Okoman Radio. Station Media Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, or black as a gun, and some follow my friend. Yo, radio back up, I don't perceive what you are. Intimate to be a better Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, we decide.
call me when you feeling darling, feeling blue.
You know my cellular.
I come running straight to you, girl. I'm gonna hold you all night long and sing this song from my heart and my soul. I'll do anything for you.
Station Media Man Kenya,
My life is nothing without you. You stole my heart and made it yours. Oh God, so I wanna live with your love. You made
Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, or black as a gun, and some follow my friend. Yo, radio back up, I don't perceive what you are. Intimate to be a better Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, we decide.
and made it yours.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
So I wanna live with your love.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
When I was weak, so I wanna live with your love.
It's you alone, my Nubian queen. True love and honesty is what I bring. In the morning time when you hear the birds sing, remember loving you is a conscious thing. I'm going to be your lover.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
You don't know? You know what
Okoman Radio 97.1.
all I can see. Sometimes I try to make
Okoman Radio 97.1.
all I can see. Sometimes I try to make them true.
I never thought it could be until I saw soles of his feet on the heat to his peak. It shall be well, it shall be well. Oh Lord, my cup is full and my soul is my soul. Many are called, but just enough. My cup is full and I'll help with you. It's good to the tops and rough like you. Are you what one?
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Cry no more, cry no more. My brother, cry no more.
All I can see, sometimes I try to make them true.
I keep dreaming my big dreams.
All I can see, sometimes I try to make them true.
I've been walking all day, trying to find some.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Oh Lord, time will tell the poor man still the one time nice and my better play for it. But they want to make it good. Oh yeah,
Station Radio Man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Oh 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 oh. Ujankubo, Minyami. Oh oh, Ujankubo.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Sometimes I try to make them true.
All I can see. Sometimes
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
On top of Mount Zion, looking up to Jah to send down God and rain. All the stars will be my guide. All the sun will be my hope. As long as there is life, I know Jah will let me down.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Naturally sweet.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Come with me. That's the bride when you're baby. Come let's see what you do.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Oh, yeah, me show my worry over. Yeah, missing my worry over. Sweetie pie, them move what my worry over.
Hey, Station Radio Man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Although me feel na kume mune nye me seek a futuro. Yeah. It's in the swam, I'm sorry, baby. Although frame ya me got to start sorry.
We are blazing.
Me got to start sorry. Oh, I on one echo. Many no go see woman on one echo. Yeah. Me see on one echo. I don't see on any it's on one echo. Yeah.
Hey, Station Radio Man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Say you dance, yes, I'm a worry about. Sweetie pie, them move for my worry about. Obi see me, them say my worry about.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
It's wifey time, can I talk to you later? We putting plants in a one incubator. Oh yo, blow the whistle, make them know game is over. Yeah, my worry over. Good loving is overload. Yeah, see the goosebumps for my body, oh. She says she love my vibe, no be money, oh. My number one
radio,
my baby, oh. Urban in here, my worry over. Yeah, oh yeah, me show my worry over. Yeah, missing my worry over. Yeah, sweetie pie, them move what in my worry over.
It's really
Okoman Radio 97.1.
somebody loves you to this back there.
From a distance, I spotted this pretty lady coming. Missing a warfare. Magic, me wanna be done. Yeah.
Abari, me say the Nigeria fair.
All the other Bekumi. All the other Bekumi.
She's an African beauty. We believe, baby, I want it in no fear. Them to me, Empire on the side, I'm making you back to you. And come on from the Akobie. Now I know what you. Now I know what you, baby.
Soda. And it's a solid 51 after 3. Soda, soda, madanza. Oh yeah, me man.
You love the sweet.
Oh, me never can get my neck to us yet.
Near crowd, but you may be on me. I dress some more candles,
Don't break my heart, too. And I promise don't mind.
to be best for to my
Na enchia kase enkoma all the sweet ladies amowa bontin amuti adwumade. Going out to you.
When I see you fall for me.
Aya the CEO.
There's no resistance. I always
Adema aya Latte Junction.
I never gonna hurt you.
Choba Antipat.
You and I have.
Na today awo.
Me never gonna cheat on you.
Na minchia enso nyame ya Choba.
My love is down to what
A.K.A Oforiwa.
sit a
Se bibia bokodi oya man.
in a me yard, you are my brother.
Na bushia tie me
I'm
en.
a love for you and you will never expire.
Sani amama emiamia nyina machiechi omo no. Na chese odwira aba. Enti adrofo so bedidi pa. Afili pa. Ewo ho.
my baby girl about to never cheat on
Na empengini se wini muda won say dey. Sabi bedi akudin fatara kono.
don't say.
Enne batakari ados nti yehu kremu papa.
Me, oh baby boy.
Sansu na ne school se bu.
Oh, young in my heart
Batanye school bia na esa wode oba eko.
to you.
Enne eye fiada.
about to never cheat
Woni wifi ekohie.
on stuck on
Woni eye husband ekokohie.
don't say.
Momo modin na momfa mo ho adwen. School asese moma momofra eko.
You treat me like a queen.
Na school a me kanfo adi amoy.
To you.
Eye Peace Montessori.
To you.
Peace Montessori. Abushia hwe. Peace Montessori ba he. Enkwala na ki ewo mo 4 months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. Ya dwi school papa ye di omo be kono. Asesa. Sesi ya di obi a wo pe. Ne mpai ba ni se ne ba ni benya 3 months na 4 months. Then you straight. Ade akwala yi e ko Peace Montessori. Nienti a obi a pe Peace Montessori ene se. School no a conducive environment. Me no ka say. School no emutepa. And if a classroom blocks and so you're very special. And you one teacher 12 students. Amonfa emani munkam so ewo eye. Me check classroom ho. Ubo za wo ka chenya kusanya ku keep quiet no. Na samre abet nso anu dem adepa no dem na teacher wo ho yiraw utimi nkyira de da. But ye Peace Montessori enkwala ni swa classroom bia enti teacher fo no nsa ko enkwala no ho abotre so enu tu na samre me ka kire awofo ankrankra mu tie mi school sam ayam dadwen mo papa no ade ama mo ma no sa mo fo mo ma no nko Peace Montessori omo je enkwala fiti na everyone afa crutch kosi aye basic 5 natie
There's no resistance.
wo school bus eti apo e fa nkwala ni fi miamia bia wo
My love, because
sanso na me no kasa chechefo amokondo
baby never gonna
se mo ba kira de e wo private institution bi to say Peace Montessori aketua ne ge
no sweat.
afi wo abotre e de ma e ya chechefo wonnim kra yetimi dano e ma obedi mu
When you will never expire.
ye po obi owo nkwala ho abotre ye wo obi asamre
For your present.
obefa nkwala nti se o ma ne ma enti wo we Peace Montessori a chikwan ye wo Hostel Junction ekropone kwapem yani impressive colors na bon hwanim pe we was 050-5829-261 and 020-0177-676 and 0279-267523 Peace Montessori o say obebo modia ama wo ba no fapem papa e de ama ne daachi na wuchie media kayo abushia say Chill Out Restaurant say odrei e baso nyampa fiti on the 15th Ebe pinso 14 pinso 17 pinso 16 pinso. Na tie date no ene hihye a chill out aye. Odrai sha say 11th of October 2021 ekosi 17. Na on the 14th eye Odra Akwaaba eye day out. Ewo chill out. Ene ewo on the 15th. Eno so Odra family day out. Eno woni wabushia. Mo pa baby mo ba no ma di papa afilia. Eno ani eye chill out. Eno ne yadi Odra family day out ebra. On the 16th year chill out Odra party train. Chill out Odra party train. After 17th year meet me there. Abusha enyu hu film. Esa ne se Odramre. Emiamia bebre ne bebu nkama faso na baby ba ko a. One fa ho Odramre why mistake. Watu afa ho ana why yawa. Eno an chill out restaurant. E we Kropon Ekufu road ne so a. Abusha cancel ho enka ne cancel ho. Ye wo baby a district police station e wo no. Wonsa ebeka chill out enka ne abrante anes. En assembly ye kamfo adi amount. Chill out. Se Odrai omunu udi abomu pefefe. Enti Kayo Jumedie. It is being sponsored by Okoman 97.1 Radio. Africa is a chill out for our continental any local dishes in and it's being powered by Chill Out Bar and Restaurant. For info, from Penny 4 hours 055 4039 939 055 4039 939. Woka chill out or draw time out together. Also, we create the fun. Don't break my heart, too. Now, happy entertainment light and sound system 24 say Fiadaba. And yeah, your wedding, and your wedding engagement, and your engagement, a party, and your party, abedinto. It's Jumadi, no, an occasion, is any Sifatibiano. For bedtime, happy entertainment light and sound system 4. Now, Omobera. Emma Jumadi and Nebeko for Eddie amount. I was your sound system, light system, canopy, air in Kongwa stage. Announcer walk or yet weather reception. Floor to be parties are hoodwo. Fanina better happy entertainment light and sound system 4. Now Omobama Jumadi and I strong Eddie amount. You know, Cassadia, you like pop and restaurant. And so by when we are something Sansam, Eddie amount of war. Yeah, what man thing, yeah, baby, ever flow for Jijo Musuno. Where was 0275 042594 and at 0540 790012 0275 042594 and at 0540 790012. Woka happy entertainment light and sound system. Also, Obama Jumedi no aye kiko. Na ebusia braka sin e frefro. Omofro nyina kire se. Baby anuane papa e twegu. Baby anuane papa e di ahim. Baby asamne anuane papa e ma Akwaaba. Aye braka sin. Abusia open fried rice, jollof rice, pizza, chicken and chips, potato chips, shawarma, benku anasa tilapia, weekends where you obetimi atwa for akodibi. After your samosa, meat pie, spring rolls, any all pineapple juice, watermelon juice, assorted drinks. Ningina no. Abusia ubenya ningina wa prakasi. Na wo di dwumadi bi say your wedding engagement. Na wo hia adwumaku eba petene nsa no ana eba popo ne nsa no. Abo aduane pa. Edi amo ahoho adi afilia. Eno ani prakasi. There was 0244 246431 0244 246431 and 0245 211386. Brakasin. I say bra na betisi na fili. Okoman Radio on Penny for Seminchi out. Na me kan cho say odro way. Fabric ba kope ene edi odra no eno ani wudin na esesa fa ho tetete na afoforo ho omu sampa abrantie nani atio onimu so pa oye premani onse ho ye anything na me kan fo wudin edi ama say odra yi wo baby no ampam wudin anka woni ma na obehye no wa yawa It's an say yenum any money ni mamre. Yenum asamre yenim fashion. Natural fashionistas, you know. I'll make a child say. If not within, then what else? What else? Send you within and ye dear bio. Na me no kasa wo wani che within shop across the country a wo benya within eya ahodo bebre na kayo abushia ukoko for you dia within ewo Atlantic Plaza nim won sabeka within eya shop kase pa wo ho ko na ko make your choice na nso dwumadie bia wo bedi bia no frebi shebi na won so ye hunsa wo ye person within the creator Nanyama di pebi fefe ho usi minyai. You fall for me. Men kame me fedie. There's no resistance. I always make sure I smile for you. Anyway, mami chia tiefo. Na mi chia dofo asamre muti adwumadie. Eye Akwaaba Drive. Once again, Jacka Siankoma, my beautiful wife, Mrs. Rachel Kwame Mpere A.K.A. De Phynest. A man in our catch, you know. Today, now Minchia Aya Thomas Ado. Oting Ado. Today, Tommy. Once again, happy birthday going out to you, Mr. Fianco, our Allied Filling Station. To God be the glory. Happy birthday, Kasian Komao. Mami Koja Buafon Kratomra. Mikojin Krato Iba. Remember, so the action lights right here on your champion radio station. Aha Okoman 97.1. I'll be right back.
Mami, I would dare be. Meaning, dear me to our channel. I was a me a dear a demonstranco, Emma Quano, Afiwe, me pe African Prince Fabrica, a yef fed or my warriors.
Oh, middle. Yankosrada weekendy, as I say, a toshet for Mano.
Within retail stores, I won't men have a beer. Nakojo wooden into my demonstranco. And I say, and today the designs a demo for an up and pounded it. Wokofodia, the retail shop at our Antarctic Plaza building.
Woodin, le créateur.
And ready my basa power. Just a word in our canons, happy baby, who friends and your dream for just MC Crans and Bassa, Bino catch up. I'm my bassa, me unium.
Middle Kawakuma to yam. Many happy entertainment light and sound system. New live pub and restaurant at Dinkomodada. Wedding, funeral, float, and answer parties are Hudwa. Omutimishi Shedumedi Shokumane Yakono. A bass sound system, lighting, canopy, in Komwa any tables are over the Josopo.
Just say one and that will be a very imagine a
warning about stage cradia Wabema stage shunku and one happy entertainment light and sound system. You like pub and restaurants, so why a crowd say in Yanni Papa and in Papa, whatever wow at the amount. Woman fear crapim, Omobay Everflow from 0245 042 594 and 0540 790012. Happy entertainment light and sound system. And you like pub and restaurant. Omobema wedding, you know, Ayekiko. Hasani Anokomata, you was
oh, I want my mania.
Happy people. When peace like a river.
Honey, me we abusumi anenio. Esa se me san kwa adwuma. Na mom school papa be so me ben mama me. Ne metumi akoye adwuma asumdwe mu. E na me dwenwu yo.
Me do, ade wonti peace Montessori in Ghana. Omoji nkwala 54 man, crèche, KG, primary 1 ekosi primary 5. Peace Montessori, ewo accessible location. Wasanso wo world secure compound. Asanso wo school bus asamre baby abofra no wo bia wo ba befa no. E de na ko school anopa. Excellent tuition, any care there. Wontimi omo wodamu befua.
Peace Montessori. Enye one wo hostel junction hostel echi ho no. E ho de ne amate kra ne se. Wo hwe mufra ye na teacher ba ko fa mufra 12 me kire mufra dumie mpe.
Sa pepepe Peace Montessori ewo ekropon ekwapem. So pese woni omo kasa ewo ahomatrofo so a. Ananse wogi nchemu bi a frɛ number si 05058292661 and 020017766 and 0279267 Peace Montessori ana.
Wadomo frakeke.
Peace Montessori ana.
One teacher, 12 students.
I say it is well. It is well.
straight from the top. Okay, happy mind. Are you ready? Ojiro, Ojiro, Ojiro. Chill Out Restaurant present Ojra Timeout. Michira October Busumi. Abushia on the 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th of this month. Jengina Yakwa Ekwape Mountains. It's all about Okwapemai Ojra 2021. Abushia Chill Out Jujumedia Bebre na Shishaso. On the 14th, Chill Out Ojra Akwaaba Day Out. On the 15th, Ayo Ojra Family Day Out. On the 16th, Chill Out Party Train. 17th, Meet Me There with Okoman 97.1 Radio. Chill Out Ewa Ekropon Ekapem Enkane Abrantia Anes and Asensia Bedan Chill Out no Yawo Divisional Police Officer in Chemupe. Chill Out say Odre Bra Niendi Mom 2021 Ojra Festival Ewa Chill Out Restaurant Wakropon Ekapem Oria Kayo Yawo Niania Wudu Bebre both local and continental Ewa Chill Out Echi Odre Ebeye Desrungo Eye Chill Out Ojra Timeout.
Oh, that's the one in the building.
Kaya Sajumadiye, it is being powered by Okoman 97.1 Radio. Yani Chill Out Restaurant and Akabum any day bro. Akwaaba Surungo. Eye Chill Out Restaurant and a refresh.
Okumaini, Yentiani, Yakramuche.
It's about time to introduce ourselves to the world. It's wrong.
We are blessed.
She take come from Ghana. She said diva. See, she get swagger. She be sweet like banana. She take come from Ghana. She said diva. Surely you know pay off my feet. Oh mama, come and tell me the way you walk, they make me weak. I call me high in the end. Surely you knock me off my feet. Oh mama, come and tell me the way you walk, they make me weak. I call me high in the end.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okoman FM. Why you say, Obreka say Ghana do, and some Boloman and friend. Yo, radio back up, I don't perceive with you. Intimate to baby, first Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, who inside?
Okoman Radio.
Pesa meka se mimi feel ku gwa if you judge yourself. Okuma yenso ni na ne power ha.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
The way you walk, they make me weak. I call me high, baby. Show you not me off my feet. Oh, mama, call me the way you walk, they make me weak. I call me high.
Mieja kase Okoman asopua twumori ejijete ne tobal tobu afapa.
She get swagger, she be sweet like banana. She take come from Ghana. She said diva. See, she get swagger, she be sweet like banana. She take come from Ghana.
Hello guys, it's your girl Ayona Renee. You're listening to Okoman Radio 97.1.
As you deal with me, where I deal with you, make you show me your love now. Let's talk the mental.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Now bumper to bumper, coming straight from Ghana. Make you surgery, make you party, make you surgery. You are one and only, baby, come make you jolly. Coming at me doby, coming at me ploby, coming at me froby. What you make, I make a beat, touching my feeling. So I don't make it say I've been to the end.
We are blessed.
Coming at me froby, what you make, I make a beat, touching my feeling. So I don't make it say I've been to the end. Baby, that's okay.
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1.
I don't know what to say. Come and rock my body. 'Cause I need you.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Shake it, mama break it. I said now be a you tonight. Today, so baby dance, make me dance, a baby dance, crazy dance, baby dance,
Okoman Radio 97.1.
This is somebody, bro. I see now very money. This is Sakuto Sakoya somebody, bro. I see now very money. I'm in
Okoman Radio.
Somebody, now you money come on the way. No one let us know what I love you, Joanne. Money, money, love you, Joanne. Okay, it's such a cute routine. You're killing me softly with your
Okoman Radio 97.1.
So break up for me like a toasty.
Mushi, bene go for me, ne what's for me, ne gummy, and go for me, ne what's for me, ne gummy. What in your mouth, mushi, bene boy to point on the football, ne gummy, the boy to point on the football, ne gummy. What I yell, the lambier, no form, no dog. Now waiting God the plan, yeah, go out with tonight. Shake it, mama break it. Tonight, today, so baby dance, make me dance,
Station with your man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Baby dance,
Abraham and A.K.A. Mommy's joint back up. I'm out for a fool. Okoman ready. Oh, we are champion. Okoman from my Kenya cry, what say the Pia? You know how to cry, no poor Rihanna Joe. There's no Okoman from my Kenya cry, what say the Pia? Moon is size what I don't feed you on the cook. I promise I'm a honor, you be out by your wood. Captain to the planet.
I'll be your back home, baby, don't you worry. If you don't pay, baby, don't just worry. And everything I made, I beat the way. And I go there first like a man in the rain. Baby girl, I can be your baby. And everything they think I'll be your lady. Baby girl, you go be my lady.
We are blazing.
No form, no dog. Now waiting God the plan, yeah. Go out with tonight.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Give it to me, baby. Don't you know that you're my number one?
Station with your man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Give it to me, baby. You know I say you my number one. So come and hold me. Now what do me? Fiesta together forever, whenever. Fiesta together forever.
We are blazing.
Together forever, whenever. Fiesta together forever.
Okoman from my Kenya cry, what say the Pia?
Two bees, give me rat-tat-tat. Just a bit on the mic. Massacre. Tell my boys back in the building, say, Charlie, how far? Kiss me, cause you messing with a rap star. Ghana to UK to Madagascar. Hasta la vista, call me your master. Like Tracy Chapman, I'm on the fast car. People they talk, say, wah, wah, wah. You the rap too much, blah, blah, blah. Somebody wanna be my avatar. Ghana to Niger, Alata. Jennifer, Ghana, you go to my mama.
Abraham and A.K.A. Mommy's joint back up. I'm out for a fool. Okoman ready. Oh, we are champion. Okoman from my Kenya cry, what say the Pia? Me no one go cry, no poor Rihanna Joe. There's no be a moon is size what?
You know I say you my number one.
Sasa meka se mimi feel good I feel judge yourself. Okoman yenso ni na ne power ha.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Fiesta together forever, whenever. Fiesta together.
She was always calling me boo, and I'm in tennis. I said I want a boy big having issues. Then I'm my friend Saturday out of the blue. So tell me, shorty, who feeling me? Tell me the truth. I like your body. You for make I know what you think, cause I'm ready to do it. I go feel by you ring. I know it sounds stupid, that it be the beautiful thing. I go feel you for my cutie. Okay, turn around. I just wanna see your booty. Wow, the way you boogie, you the turn me on. You didn't make I feel like I listen to a brand new song. From the you go and sauce it, Frankie and what's it? Charlie, tonight I'm gonna prove you wrong. And I'm gonna make you fall in love. And I'm gonna make you feel like you're right above. Cause I promise to be there for you. Put my hands on the block. One time.
Said I've been around the world and I am not. I've never seen a girl like wait, make we do them, make the babies cry, mama. Baby, we want it on like 8. Got to know, baby, the family, they give me pressure, so I wanna go to wait. I'm in love and that's what's up. Making no doubt about this and that. Say you kuli crumpo, bet you them a mouth. And you will say you bunu so what I mean in your mouth. You me say me so bang and so me the sell. I drunk one. Me agree, me pray. We say me before Quran, I'm straight. Hey, all because I want to be that one. Give it to me, baby. Don't you know that you're my number one? Girl, you are my only. Oh yeah, baby, yeah. Give it to me, baby. You know I say you my number one. So come and hold me. Now I want to be fiesta together forever, whenever. Fiesta together forever, wherever. Fiesta together.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Station Radio Man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey.
It's all about the Benjamins, baby. La 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 la.
We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing.
Everything is fair. I won't come.
Okoman Radio.
I won't come.
We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Big Rose, yeah.
is rocking. We are blazing.
Different colors, no one. Back on the home, I'm Bebo Sumi, me and Senye, maintaining. Can't make one of the Dana Jewish, yo, Nana Mamponsa, Minishika, and I dream many boys.
Station with your man Kenya, Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Oh, wash it. Let me see your semi dummy. Let me see your semi dummy. Let me see your semi dummy. Let me see your semi dummy.
Radio 97.1. Station with your man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing.
On a cabine, no bagatelle le coin. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Nyeba. Mumra, Zutiana. Chérie Coco. Baba Bani Wajo. Veux-tu savoir combien de fois que je t'aime? Veux-tu savoir combien de fois que je t'aime?
Yo, Okoman FM. Why you say, Opleke Jan Edu, and some Poloman and friend. Yo, radio Bako don't say with Tia, intimate to baby, but Okoman FM, 97.1. Hi, Uni size.
We are blazing.
Si domine va no doit pas, si domine va no dori, si domine va no doit pas, si domine va no dori.
Okoman Radio 97.1. FM is rocking. We are blazing. Akwaaba clap him. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman clap him. Okoman Radio 97.1. Bashigi.
VVIP another one. Are you ready? Ready. Are you ready? Ready. Are you ready? Ready. Are you ready? Be the girl them, yeah. Who got the key to the Benz? Alaji. Who got so many friends? Alaji. Who's the Johnny on the yard? Alaji. Who be the girl them bad? Alaji. Who got the key to the Benz? Alaji. Who got so many friends? Alaji. Who's the Johnny on the yard? Alaji. Who be the girl them bad?
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Nima call me Alaji. Oshe Taman call me Alaji. Lagos Alaji. Anywhere me go Alaji. Me a ride the town in a Bugatti. The girl them coming in the 30. Them a flex up them learning. I took the boy by Versace. And the girl them say me a flashy. After me drink dashy. Nima call me Alaji. Who got the key to the Benz? Alaji. Who got so many friends? Alaji. Who's the
Station with your man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Everybody, are you ready? Make we party, are you ready? Everybody, are you ready?
Yo, Okoman FM. My say, Opleke Jan Edu, and some Poloman and friend. Yo, radio Bako don't say with Tia, intimate to baby, but Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, Uni size.
Miaja ka say Okoman Akwaaba tomorrow you just they to bar to we afa pa.
Okoman from Kenya cry, must say that Uni size what.
Bring your friends along, we can fly them Paris, Miami, straight to London. Set the price and go buy it. In the baddest car, we are go ride it. Jump around to the music.
smash it.
Who got the key to the Benz? Alaji. Who got so many friends? Alaji. Who's the Johnny on the yard? Alaji. Who make the girl them bad? Alaji. Who got the key to the Benz? Alaji. Who got so many friends? Alaji. Who's the Johnny?
Anyway, time check is exactly 26 after 4.
Are you ready?
Hi, Okoman 97.1 radio. Na Ojro! Ojro! Sania Midika Ekachem so Dre. And some of Fokra Babe Dibi. Yes, and it's a Obamadinga Comontinswa. Na wo hwe adofo ahokeka samre obia this year nimpotam na sampa odwira be de pa na ena esa ni se odwira ebenti one of the finest musician appear mantem neso ebi enyamba ye Minu Kasai Ghana Ebo Modia recognizing no na our secondary school na Abranchi Mihra anybody ma way back no obone ho modern
You got problem girl
na ke ye pass ye be so
You can fly them Paris my yard
on na miamia bebre but empanyin se wunwum adoso we ye ni nyina Nanu obi bisam se ogusu ye nwom ana se wajai Nam so oye nwom hopa He needs no introduction From Abri to Aprede Aprede to Koforidia to Asamankase Asamankase to Suhum Suhum enko in Sawom and Sawon ko doburo kutu se Amasama Poku ase awashifo na yanko La Paz Achimota na fe enkre nyina mafeno pa ono so afemo papa afe wuko so menya kachi knows man se kakra mhwe anim wuko so menya abushia wonsi ni fam na he is the first person to put Ekwapi music on the map wako bi anoka Ekwapi rap wako bi asamre menu kasei ebe Ekwapi nyoma what is say we dey Ekwapi nipo ni slogan ne dey make up mu be hu nipa ko America na asem but me nka ba ko na mu hu nipa ko ene etwen Mami introducing a special pa ain't without wasting my time Abushia listen to this man
Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1
Yo Tie ose wi ampa kada hino kwampa kokodi mi ba shanko meni musempa tekere madumas esudwengira pa enyi nkyeng metusala nipadua otuo serebo ampare bo mehwerebo okadi ba kwagira kwa metrɛ se fraw kidi bi de lempa ni midin ye fi powase ye fi powase Dr. Kese Mase Prosa Krokra Brantam Profie Mesia Kofna Nechi Tafo Dosu ye fi powase ha ye fi powase kidi bi de lempwe yeah I'm free flowing like a hot shit Ajuni ni bom abi nonsense kidi bi de lempe ye fi powase
Okoman Radio 97.1 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Okay, yeah. It's Kidi be the Lempe back on the road. Mike and the block, fast show truth. Better yet know that we are the float. With man chia cancer foot you the joke. Kufieko sinya the scholar without brain. Chukutaka ube choma kot tise train. Ababoni umpie that forget the rain. Rambling, dangling, fumbling, whatever. Untimi yeding, yeah. Yefi Paul Wase. And I go.
Okoman Akwaaba, Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Hey, station with your man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey.
Yo, me di tuba kefi mi kurum. Me kwa kobo me hu agua. Obi man so na me kwa kobe de minya be at this time ye nko ne sa. No time to play with the pagan them. If they no like me and nigga fuck all them. Kidi be the lempo power sit tinchiri de. Yo. We ampa kada hino kwa ampa kwa kwedi mni bashanko yo musempa tekede madumas esu jinjira pa yenyin cheng betisala ni padia. Yo, freme fentem freme wakoto sa regi kwa kwedi mni bashanko mama sangapi mene batafu be diako kentim paka sabere edum be di kurande shikensu ya bere. Okay, bi no mo pe rap, bi no mo te rap, e bi nim rap bede me pets. Paul Wase.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yeah. I mean, you know what I mean, baby. Why we need power studio moha ene? Shankoma Krubi Lelempe Paul Wase Soldier ene. Adofo bi say me ma onye freestyle kakra without instrumental. You see, edum den eno no can say.
Edum bri kura mo jawe brimpong.
That's right.
Kropon dupong. Odansi edu mesu tuduru nam ta sampetu hwem buim mewurem funtum fenafu den chem fenafu Paul Wase.
That's it. Indeed, the almighty Shankoma. And then we'll pass it through the studios of Okoman 97.1. Na and then Nkomo yetia. Ojraya bay. Ohuma yebedi. Okyapaman this year releasing a brand new banger. Shall delivery near tight. Instrumentation near posh. And now for creativity now was on the cry another thing to talk about. Shango mi Akwaaba.
Yeah.
Na uko shehi.
Oh. Me she me bonke mu. Yeah, kwa penda ni ya
no me she itokro ni mu kakra. Ghana for afil.
Me so ba afil.
Okwapeman afil. Epie mu antem afil. Obi kra bisa me se wo ho na me oh, me de me no kasa. Ewo mu aye di nkoma fine. And if we di dwumade bi so piepia fine. Baby omo she de ni akire bebre na ehu ni ekọ. What do you think that a challenge? Enti as niema kasha kakrai.
Oh, I don't maybe who say a challenge per se, but I don't know. Me for some reason sometimes I coil myself to see what will happen. These days, social media are more. So I mean, when you show up more on live videos now, there probably people get to hear of you or see you. For some reasons, not much okay was I don't know kakra, but I think I'm
Enti nipa menene ka say Shankoma or secondary school yete nka say Kasahari level wo battle nkrofo where ni
me
wo yo kwiapem ni
po
Okoman Radio.
There na office a man for the back pa.
Oh. Titrupa ya mese me jingle bi ma DJ Awona.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know can I say.
Shankoma no siu DJ Awona beruma katechi anesi asiefu dwin ontene nka o baby aje sa adom.
Enti waba no so ha so yo Okoman enti Okoman so answer na no ye bibi ma na Okoman so answer se ye ya to ayo nkomo yi so.
Ananansa kunkrenku wedu Okoman wa from Paul we hu hang T 97.1 Paul Wase.
Where I say Anyway, enyum na say see what the about bontin na enne enti wuti manim wa hey. Enyum na title here dey.
Odwira ne ohum.
Odwira ene ohum.
Ohum to bracket Akuapem Festival.
Then motivate you more to me try.
Well, me the many to form me say yen sheda ni enyum poti bia eka about Odwira.
Okay.
Yeah, so metna sidina am say why not initially na me pese me one that will talk about the traditional aspect of Odwira na me explaining. But me sandwich na me say no, why not give them something they can dance to for now.
Okay.
Na afashe ni nyina atwam wia
wabo mode ahye
wa hyehyɛ ne a wokodu fie a wo beti nti we ni as a like to create awareness say festival be because we Akuapem Odwira eni ohum ti fi sa time ya ko mse man pon crash won dey ase fiti sa time ya kwa koka okrefo ni ade nyina nyom yi be cover ama nti baabi aweti nyom bia na se erebo kokose bra na betwa Odwira na sambe di ohum
nti Akuapem Odwira eni ohum.
Yes,
enyom title ne.
Yes.
Anyway, atiefo amutie Okoman 97.1 radio. Brand new one from de share Shankoma. Nana Intifu. A.K.A Shankoma. And abushia ene otimani mu a ode foforo kra ba se yenye na yemfani Odwira ene den ohum. Na enyom title no ye Odwira ni ohum. Remember where you heard it first. Kai baby aye bo nwum we edi kan. Okoman so 97.1 na kai presenter so a oneni di anobaba yi. In case you can't know, DJ Donzi for the first time airplay, I invite Ghana, Africa to the world. After me invite you Akuapem a pure man term said, listen to this banger.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Shankoma, afiye bichujira, afiye bichujira, afiye bichujira, afiye bichujira, afiye video, afiye video, afiye video, Akuapem mama ting som yenko. 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 We go Yankwe Kurapong. We go Amono Krumboso. We go Mampon Kontonchi. We go
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Latte. We go Okiripom. We go Yapping Baby. We go
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Brabe Chodira send you home. Mifia Doom or the Shema Pamakase Yampo Direct Pom Blanta. Anywhere the bath or Kuntuna Frapisa war bedu, but any genia more. From Monday to Sunday all day we go chill giddy making no door. We go Yankwe Kurapong. We go Amono Krumboso. We go Mampon Kontonchi. We go chill. Every Itasi go Mamfe Latte. We go chill. Okiripom. We go Yapping Baby. We go sa afiye bichujira.
Station Radio Man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Afiye video. We go Yankwe Kurapong. We go Amono Krumboso. We go Mampon Kontonchi. We go chill. Every Itasi go Mamfe Latte. We go chill. Okiripom. We go Yapping Baby. We go chill. We go Yankwe Kurapong.
Okoman Radio.
Amono Krumboso. We go Mampon Kontonchi. We go chill. Every Itasi go Mamfe Latte. We go chill. Okiripom. We go Yapping Baby. We go sa from me pow. Bref Yapping. Brabe Chodira send you home. Mifia Doom or the Shema Pamakase Yampo Direct Pom Blanta. Anywhere the bath or Kuntuna Frapisa war bedu, but any genia more. From Monday to Sunday all day we go chill giddy making no door. We go I'm on a crumbosso. We go Mampon Contonchi. We go chill. Every Kitasi go Manfe Latte. We go chill. Okiripum. We go Piapim baby. We go sa. Nyomwe Nangaza. It was made in tutu. Audio by the Honorable Hype Lyrics. Sa. Epiapima fashion ashase. Welcome home. Obiriki Sibiri. Ominti minim. Kudibilelempe. Kowasi.
Right. Moment sama Shankoma. But some studio mama Shankoma. Oh my God. What a banger. And you money at the Shankoma Yanyambum.
Mantin dun song yenko. Epiapima mantin dun song yenko. Epiapima mantin dun song yenko. Epiapima mantin dun song yenko. Osedeng. We go sa. Ah. Mampong. Kitase. Latte. Okiripompo. Sa. From me Paul, Brequiapim, Brabecho, Dira send you home. Mapa Makasa, Tipom Blanta, and Oreba, Pisa Wabedu, but any journey more. From Monday to Sunday, all day, we go to Giddy, making no door. Ah, we go. I'm on a Crombosso. We go Poncontochi. We go chill. Every Kitase. Latte. Okiripompo. Epiapim baby. Afiye bechudira. Osedeng. Afiye bechudira. Afiye bediohum. Afiye bediohum. Yanko. Sa. Yeah. Every Kitase. Latte. Okiripompo. Epiapim baby. Hey, we go. Yeah. Sa. Ha. Kitase. Manfe latte. Okiripompo. Epiapim baby. From me Paul, Brefiapim, Brabecho, Dira send you home. Odeshe Mapa Makasa, Tipom Blanta, and whatever Kuntubine, Senigenia more. From Monday to Sunday, all day, we go to Giddy, making no door. Yankwe Kropong, Amono Kromboso, Mampong Kontonchi, every Kitase, Latte, Okiripompo, Epiapim baby. It was made in tutu. Shout outs to our lyrics by the Honorable Hype Lyrics. Sa. Bravo Joedi.
Shankoma, yeah, bombardier drop it bangay.
Sir.
Eddie Ama Adolfo, what are your expectations?
Well, first off, I think Hane exclusive play.
Yeah. So what about Okoman?
Yeah, man.
Okoman,
yeah. Inti Fihano, I think I will share the link.
Okay.
Obi
penyum we obenyawe.
Boon Play, Deezer,
okay.
Apple Music, Spotify.
All right. Since this will be because this is the official song for the Ojra and the Who Festival.
Yes.
Baby, I be Fabia. Wait, any eddy do Ojra no. Wait, any eddy do Ohum no.
Upo.
Ojra, any Ohum. Ojra and Ohum. Eti baby, I will be an official song that you did Ojra no Ohum no. Shankoma Ojra and Ohum. Eti a captain for almost 37 mo download the Mamu Mia Bebre mo download. What's saying Fabio?
Boom Play.
Okay. Obo Shankoma.
Deezer.
Okay.
And I will Apple.
And Obo Ojra.
Obo Shankoma. Ojra.
ohum ebeba enti odwira ne ohum shankoma enti mo start say mo be call mymp3juicy.com mo ko ho mo betimi download shankoma live wo betia obi say ojantana you do all and obi so dey about say ojantana na nkasani and Steve Steven so say powase more fire more fire yeah be sorry so anisa na edie na wo ka che wo manfo ye no mato wo ka che adofo a wo hiomo
one what me ka che me I mean setting our can fit asene yeah but ye wo nyuma fufuru so yeah enti e wo ma na ya switch kwa kakra but inyom ni enja just we are supposed to push it on a different dimension now.
Me ba obe hold you on kakra na okuapem ni obrofo sema ye depa
so
okuapem ni bon as me kabrofo na me manager about say ada ubi okugwa Washington ana enti no esesa obo modern na umatwi no edos mami so ati say enti mami nchi atiefo na me kan chom say mo betimi join no ye live e wo Facebook mo betimi join here live e wo Facebook no eye Okoman 97.1 ubehu eye ojantana shankoma e wo studio mu ha and fe dwumade na e koso say isia no so betimi do comment e dey afa Okoman 97.1 e wo Facebook, Instagram e Okoman 97.1, Twitter Okoman 97.1 NFA wo call YouTube nso a e Okoman 97.1 wo hwe senia ene matwagu studio mu ha wadwenkyere na wabɔ mɔden na wo de account na makan fefefe shankoma na wo kasa
yo nia na meka no ne krakra mu no na me pa kyerɛ sɛ ye dwomu no de yegusu ye but ye wo nyuma foforo nso a eto da esise yebu ya akatem ne ye enti dwomu no ya ye no fakese na wo online won sabeka na sisi no ya te ukubi powase akuapem gang eye merema beye ba nan ko benum ye atu ye so se ye be pia akuapem eni jomna akosi se ebefa nti na enye menkwan na afi miritua na morning nti enimani me ya wonhwe na adesrede kakra me de ma ye nkrofo ne se wo yade na wechitafo no so wodi anije ne ahosepew piawa edu akiri empempi no waye jomu no nyom kama wo hwese bia wechitafo ukromfo no be pia den se amakon wo ntene wo pia nti etosin wo nyom a emzebe ha ye ben kran so pe enye de bia na nkran fo peja na huru akotema na huru akokuma seton na ekuapemfo nti adesrede ne yede tumanim ade bia mo amuhwa eye mpuntu ade ebebu ekuapem no eye to nsafre mo se mo so mo ya na mo mpia eyi jom fufuru ya yi joma wo betie na wo de adi asawo ne hia ne se ye share link na won saka woko download nyom na
ye share link no ni twi ye den
link de minim ni twi
Someone na mubu ba kese ntina ka
inti won saka pe ni awe anze wo fa ufo na wo de kire wo so ya eja ba bia eya oda wo hwa obetimi abu pa kakra wo de abu pa wa record wasan ase ni ama ni nyina ye share sa na eko nti ye da ase
yes ye da ase se wabomodin ade nwum we ama ese ye fendi odwira ene ohum enti shankoma brand new banger odwira ni ohum ene ye ish the new ish we ena abaso enti we na sambre ye bebo ewo ye street so ye cars mu na station anso ye som ye bebo isani se eyodwira ene ohum nti ebedi ni pepe se ne se fata dadofo bi ebo awase na fe ye so
asira kesede enkomerade enkoma ebusia jedida ya bia o school michia o yerunsia de mama asida so nkoma hype lyrics so no kutemi mu beat bia obeti wo mijoma se no bangers ni nyina ono no obo another akuapem guy so Teams
strong guy
ono so
yeah
asida nkoma na asida nkoma Natis na Crip Nation onyina okrami mu
Right. Me creepy.
Yeah.
Me creep ma konta.
Oh, you are konta.
Oh yeah.
And it's if you pay. Powazi funyina michiam. Many of your funyina.
Right. Yeah, that's it. Pa. Ain't you know? Creep ye out, baby. I will be a one harvester 1. Michiamo NXB. Right. Ebushana ni. Ain't some read there. Shankoma. And I would say ode odwira ene ohum enwom foforo kra ye di bedu odwira fiti Sunday ye be start abwa fiti sambrega kosi Sunday na hoho ne beba no na ye nwom no mo so mo bobi no mo sebi enti wunya nya nwom no wo sport wo ba bi a wo hye ne yema wo ye nya bi odwira ne den ohum ene ye redi shango ma me da sepa se me ton sa fe on so ba okay the show still goes on enche Mema Nana Kwame Mpere Akwaaba na or the sports update na Bremito. And what you know? Abushia mebo modern the Okoman court and so abro. So stay tuned and enjoy this. Ohum Ojira any Ohum Shankoma brand new one for the year 2020-21. What you guys here? That's right.
We are blessed.
Shankoma, fie bichujira. Afie bichujira. Afie video. Epiape mama tindun som yenko. 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 We go yenkwe kurapong. We go amono kromboso. We go man kontonchi. We go chill. Eburi kitasi go. Man fie latte. We go chill. Okiripom. We go piapim baby ah. We go sa. Okay, from me pow. Bre piapim. Brabe pyo dira send you. Ni piadum odeshe mapa makase yampo direct pom blanta. Anywhere the bar for kuntine frafisa what they do but any day more. From Monday to Sunday all day we go chill gidi making no door. We go yenkwe kurapong. We go
Okoman Radio 97.1.
We go chill. Eburi kitasi go. Manfe latte. We go chill. Okiripom. We go piapim baby ah. We go sa. Afie bichujira.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Afie bichujira. Afie video.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
We go amono kromboso.
Okoman Radio.
Kontonchi. We go chill. Eburi kitasi go. Manfe latte. We go chill. Okiripom. We go piapim baby ah. We go chill. We go yenkwe kurapong. We go amono kromboso.
We go
kontonchi.
We go chill.
Eburi kitasi go. Manfe latte. We go chill.
And of course it's a banger.
Piapim baby ah.
Shout outs going out to Applause. And you wait the Amunian official song for the Eye Ojira. Ana Uhune and Ana Kwame Mpere.
The finest.
Eye heavy. Ojira any Ohum. And Shankoma.
Oh, you're solid guy.
Oh, you're solid.
I say
Ofifie. Hey, Obuba kesi me mo ba koma ho.
Maminti.
Say wo ya de ani asaka kra o.
Afie bichujira.
Afie bichujira. Nana to kakra. Afie bichujira. Yebedi ohum. Afie bichujira. Yebedi ohum. Energy. Yebedi ohum. Enu hoye moto bo. All right, then the latest in the world of fire sports, you know, afi yebedi ehum. I don't know about 6 tune and Etimi mo Akwaaba na Kwame Mpere A.K.A. Se bibia boko de.
The finest mejo so Yankopon dom bibia e fine. Na awiai Yeah. Sa. Mami di kan enchia me mami.
That's right.
Me mami chief of staff.
Hey.
Madam Frema Opare.
Okay.
Chief of staff. Ghana how?
I mean him.
Yes, Madam Frema Opare. Mami chia na wie. Afin so mi chia me second mother.
Okay.
Madam Salome.
Okay.
Ono CEO.
Group
CEO.
That's right.
Madam Salome. Baby obi anu mi chia no. Na say no no. No ma come see oba say me oba. Kwanda ho. Wait me aba.
Hey. Akola idie. Sabio. One say osekura. But you ever find this
na onu say china. Clean up exercise kese ni tojwa. Ebaso. You say pre-Ojura festival clean up exercise.
Pre-Ojura festival clean up exercise.
Sa. Na we know Okoman 97.1
in collaboration with Akro City Entertainment.
Sa travel and see youth club.
NFA.
Fly fan club.
That's right.
And I feel so no local council of churches.
And honorable
Ebenezer Asante Bempo
Osambrum
assembly member.
And Makabum.
And then a clean up exercise. Pre-Ojura festival clean up exercise.
Ebaso.
Pre-Ojura festival clean up exercise. 7 a.m. on a sharp.
Starting point in
Ebru station.
Akosi Council.
Yeah, clean up exercise. Yeah, be a minimum. And I'm a pranom the Mura and Gata and change. We are processor.
Yes, sir. You are Yakoshi. Yakoshi. You know.
Obi was a Babuano.
Nashi. As do.
I don't know.
That's right.
Near the Jatum.
Near she.
That's
right.
I will see no.
And yeah, we see you know.
And to know at 7 a.m. Okoman radio drive for Yenya. Nothing so no.
Enti Ojani Yenya clean up exercise.
Yenya
sikan ke ani o man na be kwa kwache.
I could have you see anyone na eche.
Anyone na eche.
Ojani anyone na eche dia clean up exercise no so anyone na eche.
All right.
Enti no bi amra. Time ni anopa 7 a.m.
That's right.
7 a.m.
That's right.
Enti we know you say come one come all. Come one
come all.
Come one
come all.
Enti no
braba ko
na brandina sa
etino clean up exercise no
enchire mu bia e bia so ni prayer o prayer o Fred Dibo shake the bowl.
That's right.
Anyumre ma mincha shake
wa frame class shake bia woni me dey cover from. That's right.
On filling station pub.
Yeah.
On CEO. Yes.
CEO.
And then before I said we do come on.
Last year I'm gina mo hopa.
I feel me to gina mo ho.
Okay.
Na Fred shake the bowl. 0246.
That's right.
382 878.
Sure.
0246 382 878.
Okay.
And I said Reverend Kasa su jire. Kwesi another
local council of churches That's right.
The Reverend Dr. Kwesi.
That's right.
The number is 0244 632 516.
Sure.
0244 632 516.
And last number. Carlos.
If any Jeffrey Carlos.
And you need treating.
Oh no, have you the back queen?
Ain't you back queen?
Jeffrey Carlos back queen. On also the number 0243
That's right.
768 184. 0243 768 184. Clean up,
that's right. 80 girls, and boys, and Monsha Moshos, and the just said, yes, street in some fun car.
I pre-Ojura festival clean up.
That's right. That's right.
Yes.
You know, any and found baby, I walk. So well crop on her, so what monochrome, so well brew, so what a dough, baby, I will be a pre-Ojura clean up exercise. It's Brani and your mum. Now, clean street in so na enya fefe
last year Ojura pa bi am ko tena e otu ana ekura hwem
ekura no obetwi sika that's right
na ogrofo no mo
amo
yim no
heaven
for no
heaven
so 14 15 16 17
chill out
Hey,
chill out. Who's the coming microphone? I'm saying my confused because microphone does.
Me ya ambassador.
Oh, sir. Oh, sir.
Auntie Juliana.
Oh, okay.
And I feel so no. Abapa kunadu. Abapa kunadu.
Dama spaghetti ya okodi.
Oh,
every round say asepa. Unya bi obedi wo.
Heavy. Na Abapa heavy.
That's right.
Abapa kunadu.
And chill out say 14th, 15th, 16th, and 17th.
17th near then.
And no, meet me there.
Yes, chill out. Meet me there.
That's right.
17th of October.
That's right.
Yeah, chill out restaurant.
And 14th no ye Akwaaba day out.
Oh,
and we chill out. So what I say?
And
also ye 15th family day out. That's right. And ye what chill out party train. And no be kona nyompa twagu. So what I say? And ye na others ni soon. Now we do our chill out. Now the more Famo sir. So what I say? It you know, and only a chill out a party train. And only the amount finally no.
Yes.
A meet me there. Yeah, but money and fast sports the go met you for na sorry so na call.
The finest so power. The finest. Mama fan go na me sorry na me nko. Na ene no
go sa my.
Go mi shego. Na face ma ko. Na mama na head of sports ase.
Unu
say bring na donya. So ni nyina no. Ono bobo ano na me de ba.
Na bodwe na me pebi.
Na bodwe no.
Me pemi ense bi atwatwa me die.
Me shawa, me sha uja no be 20 years old na.
O say ene se ma tra 20 years na cross ko 40.
And the baby my.
Ode.
And the
Ukraine bi na ba ho na me fi o.
And ansa ma bi.
Na kwala na twetwe mo fi.
Mo say onu dia ya frɛ mo.
Say boy say man.
Mo frɛ brenya.
Brenya say. We nya nwi wo to wo hu yira. Ata ka gum ni enko.
Ma phone network ndi ya be ka gum na. Eddie Ogroma.
Okay, happy birthday once again going out to you. Fianco. Mr. Fianco or Allied Filling Station. My sister only manager.
Yes.
Happy birthday, pa. Yeah, jam.
Idiot.
I'm on for network.
Okay. I don't know if I'm going off so. Hey, I do Ogroma. Me sorry so dia. Onu say the World Cup qualifiers no. To job we bi bremwa. Na ene matches no do na so no koso na awie ya no Malawi. Atena fema Ivory Coast akwache no bɔ na kamiensa Malawi entumante na just amanfo no che goals na asa abrante ne din enso na Max Gradel etumi bogo na face abrante ne din Jeremy Boga enso no etumi bogo so na ene no na nka 4 pm ya Angola ana face Gabon ebebo na me se so to kakra itene no mo hwe ni se so no ba forma match no so ebetumi akoso na ene ya bɔ first half awie Cameroon ase Mozambique akaba ko a ono so entumi na face so 7 pm Algeria ene Niger bebo Djibouti and Burkina Faso and offense Egypt and Libya and so ebebo nti when games ene to ja World Cup qualifiers Africa media gu
enti ni nyina ni
enti ni nyina no
sorry kwai
me sorry
me da se nyam pe kira me da se o say
mami tia me mami
o ka say uni o ka say o pacho kam last one enya sa Almost that. Da, yeah, na sorry na ko.
Mami chia me mami, Madam Fremo Pare, Chief of Staff, mami.
I don't know person change.
Na so
why dey be akodi ni ho?
Group CEO.
Group CEO so why dey akodi ni ho?
Oh, some mami no. Group CEO Madam Salome.
Okay.
Also heavy.
All right.
And na say me anti ba ko ba beauty. Anti-beauty. I say heavy pa. It's mami cha oba kunadu. Chill out. Oba kunadu. Chill out.
Me da say.
Papa edi. Ani pa ake. Omunya mo yedwuma for. Mi chi omo. Nti me ko. Ai.
Sorry. Mo pa mo no. Anyway, anja ya di Okoman Akwaaba te ba bro ba meantime there. Ma enyum no me fan som ho kakra.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Afi video,
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yapi mama tin some yenko. Yapi mama tin some yenko. Yapi mama tin some yenko. We go yenko kuropong. We go amono kromboso. We go kontonchi. We go chill. Eburi kitasi go manfie latte. We go chill. Okiripom. We go yapim baby. We go sa. Okay, bref send you me fear doom or the shema pamaka say am po direct from blanta. Anywhere the bar for kuntuna frafisa war bedu but any journey more. From Monday to Sunday all day we go chill gidi making no door. We go yenkwe kuropong. We go amono kromboso. We go mampong kontonchi. We go chill. Every
Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
we go yapim baby. We go sa. Afi bichujira. Afi bichujira. Afi video. We go amono kromboso. We go mampong kontonchi. We go chill. Every manfe latte. We go chill. Okiripom. We go yapim baby. We go chill. We go yenkwe kuropong. We go amono kromboso. We go mampong kontonchi. We go chill. Every manfe latte.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Station Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Oh sister, I know be a rider. Give me one chance, make I be a fighter, provider. Toto for my man, make I be a pastor.
Pesa me kase me miss you ku wa fu judge yourself. Okoman yenso ni na ne power ha.
Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, or Plagasa Jan Edu, and St. Paulo Man and friend. Yo, radio Bakosa do Pesa with Tia, intimate to baby, Fat Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, Uni size.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Akwaaba, oh sister, I know be a rider. Give me one chance, make I be a fighter, provider. Toto for my man, make I be a pastor. Me and Jimuti, make I be a sponsor.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, or Plagasa Jan Edu, and St. Paulo Man and friend. Yo, radio Bakosa do Pesa with Tia, intimate to baby, Fat Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, Uni size.
Okoman Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Okoman from a man can you cry, must say the PR. Uni size what?
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Mieja kase Okoman akokwa tumoye jijete. Ne to bar to bu afan pa.
Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, or Plagasa Jan Edu, and St. Paulo Man and friend. Yo, radio Bakosa do Pesa with Tia, intimate to baby, Fat Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, Uni size.
Abraham Maneka said, Mommy's joint back. I'm out for a full road. Okoman radio. Oh, my champion, Martin. Okoman from a bank and you. Kenya cry, must say the PR. Minimum rock cry, no poor, you are not true. There's no PR.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Hell, give me your drink. You, Mancasa.
Y'all can't say nay who made that track. What we need to start by that. Focus over for my Kwame maker. More dumbo mami baby facey. Kamadunko and my brainy. It's a song good and a baby radio. I need for many more signboard. Me de no check in me what's up. Or go to me live more for you feel bomidi money come in brevy I fake bomidi how much intimate friend or pay. Major me samba. Major me samba. Hey yo! Major me samba. What you see get here? Major me samba. Go when I say where? Major me samba. What you see get here? Major me samba. Go when I say where? Today you go chop my pocky fast. I did like a hottie don't be shy. Every day you chop my money. And then you tell my body.
Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, I'm like I said, Jan Edu, and some Polo man, a friend of yo, radio, but I don't press over here. Continue to be a Okoman FM, 97.1. Hi, we inside.
And let me tell my body. Freestyle.
Okoman Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Major me samba. Hey yo! Major me samba. What you see get here? Major me samba. Go when I say where? Major me samba. What you see get here? Major me samba. Go when I say where? Major me samba.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Hey yo! S-I-N-D now. See you, mate. We fall from home. NKZ.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Pilolo, give me the pilolo. Spread your leg like a wheelbarrow.
Okoman Radio. 97.1.
Pilolo, wonderful pilolo, and spread your leg like a wheelbarrow.
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. 97.1.
Cha, baby, make you know cha.
Okoman Radio. 97.1.
Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, or like I said, Jan Edu, and some Polo man, a friend of yo, radio back up, I don't press with Tia, intimate to be a fight Okoman FM, 97.1. Hi, we inside.
Okoman Radio, 97.1. Station with your man Kenya. Okoman Radio, 97.1. We are blazing. Okoman Radio.
Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, or like I said, Jan Edu, and some Polo man, a friend of yo, radio back up, I don't press with Tia, intimate to be a fight Okoman FM, 97.1. Hi, we inside.
Okoman Radio, 97.1. Okoman Radio, 97.1. Station with your man Kenya. Okoman Radio, 97.1. Okoman Radio, 97.1. 97.1.
Where the party there today? Hey mama, hey I have a step. Shake your body, man, you're gonna. Hey mama, hey I have a step.
Station with your man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Hey mama, hey I have a step.
Okoman Radio.
Shake your body, man, you're gonna. Hey mama, hey I have a step.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
You make sad for no reason. Don't you know say this be our season?
Okoman Radio.
You dreaming? Yeah, you make sad for no reason. Don't you know say this be our season? If the brain make a fall, you dreaming? Yeah, wusuna miyo. Chansumo, wususu crew and bemo. Don't you know say God in control? Yeah.
Yo, Okoman FM. My say, Opreka say Jan Edu, and some Poloman a friend. Yo, radio back up, I don't person with Tia. Intimate to be a but Okoman FM 97.1. Uni size.
Hey mama, hey I have a say. So where the party day today? Hey mama, hey I have a say. Shake your body, man, you're gonna. Hey mama, hey I have a say.
I'm going in. Hey, what time of brave? Into what da. Social media pressure, Jamie and Yampa. I saw from try it, yes, the bank or who want to pay me a tone, we are so be wasa. Come a packet, Missika de Coquasa, say, Obi and Nimka, Toma, Papa, ye, Obi Pondasi. Ayo, a bravo, a tiny better than a compo. What package ya and fat? Is it by 4 to speak some brofo? Yes,
Okoman Radio 97.1.
We're watching the landing and you tear my brethren. It's forget me in the asa, forget me in the asa, no beer de car, forget me in the asa. Yes, killed seal.
Where the party day today? Hey mama, hey I have a say.
We are blazing.
Shake your body, man, you're gonna. Hey mama, hey I have a say. So where the party day today? Hey mama, hey I have a say.
Station with your man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Hey mama, hey I have a say. Oh yeah. Catch ya.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Call your mommy, make I call my mommy. Where they everybody they should hear what I have to say. My baby, pretty baby. Oh my sexy lady, I can't wait for our wedding. And on that day, everybody goes to the and on that day, everybody goes to the up in it, then go up in it, up in it, then go up in it.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Station with your man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
I got to take that joint for your love.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Make you fine, if I don't get today, I'll come tomorrow. Even if I'm for ball, oh yeah. If I don't get today, I go make come tomorrow. Even if I'm for ball, oh yeah, baby.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey, station with your man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yeah, what I have to say. My baby, pretty baby. Oh, my sexy lady, I can't wait for our wedding. And on that day, happy birthday goes to and on that day, happy birthday goes to up in it.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, Oplekese Jana Edu, and St. Paul man a friend. Yo, radio back up, I don't press it with Tia. Intimate to baby, but Okoman FM 97.1. Ah, we decide.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio.
Abraham and A.K.A. Mommy's joint back. I'm out for a buffalo. Okoman ready. Oh, my champion. Okoman from my man, can you cry? What's the no man program or poor you are not true. That's what we are doing. Only size what.
Your friend me Grace, Okoman Radio. You are the best, number one. A poor mountain, so chedi can for. Then she are more and Kebede. Bruta, we are fantastic and Kazaka.
Shankoma, fee be chudira, fee be chudira, a fee be chudira, fee be chudira, a fee be due, a fee be due.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
A piape mamanting doing some yanko. 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 We go Yankwe Kurapong. We go Amonokrum Bosso. We go Mampon Kontonchi. We go chill. Every Itas. We go Manfia Latte. We go chill. Okiripom. We go Yapim baby. We go okay, from me Paul. Break Yapim. Brabe show you my Pamaka say I'm po direct from Blanta. Anywhere the Bafo Kuntuna Frafisa walk the do, but any journey more. From Monday to Sunday, all day we go chill giddy making no door. We go Yankwe Kurapong. We go Amonokrum Bosso. We go
Abraham and A.K.A. Mommy's joint back. I'm out for a buffalo. Okoman ready. Oh, we are champion. Okoman from my man, can you cry? What's the baby? Me no have rock cry. No poor you are not true. Just who be a video. Only size what?
I feel video. I feel video.
Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, Oplekese Jana Edu, and St. Paul man a friend. Yo, radio back up, I don't press it with Tia. Intimate to baby, but Okoman FM 97.1. Ah, we decide. Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, Oplekese Jana Edu, and St. Paul man a friend. Yo, radio back up, I don't press it with Tia. Intimate to baby, but Okoman FM 97.1. Ah, we decide.
Every Itas. Manfin Latte. Okiripom. We go Yapim baby. We go from me Paul. Break Yapim. Brabe show you send you. Me fear doom. Odeshe my Pamaka say I'm po direct from Blanta. Anywhere the Bafo Kuntuna Frafisa walk the do, but any journey more. From Monday to Sunday, all day we go chill giddy making no door.
We go go.
Young Kurapong.
We go.
Amono Gromboso.
We go go.
Mampong Kontonchi.
We go chill.
Eburi Kitasi.
Go go.
Manfe Latte.
We go chill.
Okiripom.
We go go.
Piapin baby.
We go
sa. Nyomwe Nangaza. It was made in Tutu. Odi Oku by the honorable
Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey, station with your man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
And I will buy more good.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Go go. What's your baby? Now I didn't number.
Hey, station with your man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Maybe I was that day. I said, when it's was go move.
Okoman Radio.
What did you remember now about that? Very well. I say, you with mommy, miss a watching. Why would you live in no? That's a wood, that's a
Okoman Radio 97.1.
The way you would have, the way no bad.
Hey, station with your man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, or Pregaza Jan Edu, and some Poloman and friend. Yo, radio Bacopedo Pesotia, intimate to be a Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, we decide.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yamagoni Munyadina Obiantina when he is. And your mommy, I want him to crack up Tony Piano. And it's how when you're Galabi, and now what you are Branty behind. That young boy be, and a young girl be a vessel.
Okoman Radio.
I want some kind of in that, and the castle. So young girl be a sinner.
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Hey, I'm going to so what you say? Why when is our somewhere and go by more boy?
Within the A.K.A Castro, no Mandela Market. I want to be watching Castro back up no size. Okoman for my de papa. Me film. Okoman for my man here be woo. Oh, Okoman for my Jenny na Mumo ne yo. Your mama Jumapa and then the palm of the abo man you. Yes, you could have sing shit. Within the A.K.A Castro.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yeah, what's up, Kwame? You go to Okoman Radio 97.1. Number 1, Betty Radio A.K.A. and each day in Okoman Radio. Your number comes to Ofie Pen. Thank you.
ACP Kofi Buachi, Okoman FM, Korea Mountain, and so Snedy Camp. Near my warrior, never pursue ye, now obey ye no. Say, Yadeto, and say, near, not just say, Okoman Edemufua. One year maybe our council go this. I tell you what you me, Kofi Buachi, ACP. Leading one dance say, Major, Pangabi, yeah, I can say, I don't want to see. Yabo Mountain as a prep, Okoman Day, yet I'm watching Precope. Sunny and Peninka, was it Ofie Nifi? Okoman Day, we are into Okoman FM.
Your family, a Kwame Mpere A.K.A Sina Junction number 1. Na Okoman Radio ni de pia yiti Okoman Radio we number 1.
I'm not your tester.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
It's your type country in here. You see my back, jaja. See my front, jaja. When you see everything, jaja, oh, jaja. You see my back, jaja. You see my front, jaja. When you see everything, jaja, oh, jaja. So
Okoman Radio.
We can't tell you this, we can't tell you that. Don't put your troubles on my back, so me kinda want it now. Be cut to can. Me am done.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
If you don't know, you gon' know. Obi Babel soon, free set.
Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi. Mon frère mi yaro. Munti Okoman Radio da.
See my front dada. When you see everything dada, oh dada. You see my back dada. You see my front dada. When you see everything dada, oh dada.
Me, I be hustler. If you love, I don't want no be sucker. If you so, I don't talk, I no be toaster. I get everything you need, I be shatter. Can't tell you this.
Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi. Mon frère mi yaro. Munti Okoman Radio da.
Okoman A.K.A. Okunumu ya dunia Okoman bekuwaji Okoman A.K.A. Okoman
You see my back dada, see my front dada. When you see everything dada, oh dada. You see my back dada, you see my front dada. When you see everything dada, oh dada. Dada.
Okoman A.K.A. Okunumu ya dunia Okoman bekuwaji Okoman A.K.A. Okoman
Aja Kwame Mpere A.K.A Masina Junction na Mawo. Na Okoman Radio ni de bia yeti. Okoman Radio we are number 1.
Hello guys, it's your girl Ayona Renee. You're listening to Okoman Radio 97.1.
Okoman from Bankenyo, Kenya Kra, must say bebia. Muni size wati.
Yeah, our friend Kwame Mpere A.K.A. If you go feedback with Okoman Radio 97.1, number 1. Mechi Radio 88 na insi de e ditwem. Okoman Radio e number 1 so yeba de ye number 1 so ofie pe.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okoman FM. My say, Opleke se Jan Edu, and St. Poloman a friend of yo, radio bako pedo pese utia, intimate baby, fat Okoman FM 97.1. Ha, uni size.
Unisini Safari Valley, Okoman Radio. One etiemo. Esie for mo from a fidie into Okoman Radio. Me say mo ye grow e mashigogo.
Pese me ka se me feel ku wa from judge yourself. Okoman yenso ni mu na ne power ha. Mieja ka se Okoman asokwa twumowie gigete ne to bar to bu afa pa
Okoman Radio kongela pakpala yole Okoman Radio 97.1 no fe no ponenu eko nyetu.
A woman of quality knows what she wants. If you want to tidy me and do what you want, then hurry, come carry your baby, go. Come and see my mother.
Abrama Maneka say, Mom's joint back. I'm for a kufuru. Okoman Radio. Oh, we are champion. Okoman from Bankenyo, Kenya Kra, must say bebia. Minimum program.
Your friend me Grace. Okoman Radio. You are the best. Number 1. A.K.A Mountain. So Cheney Town for Yenshiamwa. A.K.A De Phynest. We are fantastic.
If you want my body, come see my
Okoman Radio 97.1.
I know you want my body. My body. I love body. Come see my mommy. Make it official. If you really mean it.
Your friend me Grace. Okoman Radio. You are the best. Number 1. A.K.A Mountain. So Cheney Town for Yenshiamwa. A.K.A De Phynest. We are fantastic.
Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi. Mon frère mi yaro. Munti Okoman Radio da.
Eye me Adelaide bu a me wo parliament sport. Okoman opposite. Me de feel anopa Okoman ria anu bi fan me wales je e ba ne da. Ti mi sire mo amuti Okoman na. Yes, you go get modern sempa da wase.
Maradona, local official. Every day na so CCO. Every day na different ratio. Say you love me, talk like anything I want you. I'm the one you really
Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Man, I won't put today.
All my ladies, watch out for
It's okay too.
Anybody, no one here.
Yeah, they make me a kind of my kind.
Pesa me kase mimi fia oku aye fu judge yourself. Okuma yenso nimu na ne power ha. Mieja kase okuma asokwa twumo wi ejijete. E to bar to bu afa pa.
Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi. Mon bon frère Miliaro. Munti Okoman Radio da Edasi.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
So me I wanna have some fun. Steady rocking to the early morning. Call your friends them, make them come. Yes, I go see a Star Wars fun. I'm a Dunkalian, come get some. I'm on the run. And it's
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio.
No man can go say, say, ale, ale, ale. I get the money,
Abraham man A.K.A. Mommy's joint back up. I'm out for a fool. Okoman Radio. Oh, we are champion. Okoman from my man, can you? Can you cry? Must say that you know how to cry. No poor, you are not cool. There's no BMT. When it's nice,
Okoman A.K.A. Okunumu ya dini Okoman Akwaaba. Okoman A.K.A. Okoman ibi Okoman ati Okoman.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Anyway, 25 minutes non-stop music. Hitting you back to back. Abushama, who's a web Phyllis? Yeah, me DJ no a champion wate. Me boom and na no one who me person segum. Shout outs to a DJ a Donzi. Nemo kakra. At moment no one see the mommy. All right, time check once again. It's a Zali 38 after 5. And now, yes, Zali the 8th day in the month of October 2021. Maybe so, what's your messages about now? Mami kan John Peter Adu Nyako, A.K.A. Joe P. JP say Papa Shankoma Ojantana. Thank you, boss man. Now somebody power say I say power say fire. And I want to see Ojantana, you do all. Want to see Ojantana na kasa. That's right. We are live on Facebook. Okoman 97.1 Radio. You're from me na Kwame Mpere. Ubeti me from the fight. Say me you na catch me. Akwaaba Drive. Watch me to say Ofiepe. Ghana, Africa, enche. Yeah, the almighty Okoman court baby. And no na opesa within more. And so the some no so pa and then some no at say. Memo Akwaaba be jafo.
Oh yeah.
Now mo want to say
Mr. Presenter.
If you were tobo. If you were be na some and say abushia samre onono onoan wakonsuo watua ni nsuoka watua ne blosika atua mesinka enti wasinu dan wo be haya ono ontua water bill ontua light bill ono akro yanso wo yo ba na betena fiwa esesa wo de boy ba akopɛ be kire no ohun obi foforo oha obetu efi ewura yi enhyehyɛ yi emaiwai se omo dibi nyintum because ehene ha memo makɔ ababio.
Yeah. Yes, my lord.
Mr. Presenter.
Yes, sir. If you're right now, if you're back there.
Nami adun bi aboko.
Wo 2 minutes. Chemi enti a wo bo fu a wa back there.
Mr. Presenter.
Top no wen change.
Madam. Madam, mama
nkasa. O tu me den, ana mi ntua me rent.
Me fie eno abe hide.
Ana mi ntua me rent.
Sabe, Kwame.
Mo di fiera sana mo sisi nipa. O
me pension pay, Kwame. Ana bro. Olumai, ma boa no kakra. Ana men so me dia si fie.
Okay.
Oh, Kwame mi si fie ni wie anche, ana ma yo mienu bai. So mo pe fie ni bi, on be hide bi atenam.
Okay.
Kwame if you want so me wamra ho no.
Okay.
Esa ansa me na me ko mi so. Eto manwea. Ene cement bo. Den.
Eja unko na wasi fi.
Na Kwame.
Utietia ya so.
Na Kwame say dan ti sadaka, fa wo de ebre.
Me kwa na ese bi bu sa be no.
Yedin.
Wo want no bi fida.
Enti Kwame. Masha me mra say me fie ho no no Kwame. Say me am ye fie wura nya dia metu ala bio. Ensuo nso mesa bi ba Kwame mintua water bill.
Okay.
Enu echi no Kwame esa say Ghana hanom no yese ade san ye mpedede wo krom e wo say krom ye din.
Okay.
Enti me so me mra ma hye ofie no say ebo anado no otwe pa ensuo no metum wi a
aya pipe na wo fie.
Pipe na wo fie.
Ah wuntua bi no.
Mintua bi ba Kwame enkrofo san de ye sesa nchansi niema ebedede. Dede nso ba fie hono ma ebi no mutumi na.
Kopen kuko no me ha wodan.
Metu suo num. Enu achi. Wo abayiwa no nipa ba ko pe ana oso ode ne be che.
Ada o ye meja.
Enti so ode ne be che me Kwame mi hi obi abiem.
Oh.
Esansa ade san.
Ye mpede
de ofie hono.
Okay. Yo me that say. Amayiwa na ade na mo adwasa. Oyma.
Ye bedwa.
Ada no mo.
New
king new law.
Oh that be. Ono nti wakwa hide and pay me sure pass if.
Kwame me say dan ti sadaka anko oba no ono de ne de aba.
Ye na wo say ye bu sa.
Na ko de ne de aba.
If
you ra manenkasa
na fear yetim ya be high enye se ye ntua danka ye tua advance uje ye 2 years ye kan enu masem bia wo sela ni ye diskai ma afa ya betene mu a ye tena ase kakra se enije wo fie kakra fa de papa yi abunani aguso remia ye wo fie wa ye dwen wa ye nti ase wo sika yi nsuska wuntua kani eska wuntua
sabe ni efiewura
oni na fie okra so yo be
emra be na wo Ghana he che se wo efiewura wuntua nsu
ni ana ma to me cement ene
ma ni ade say wo friend say
ana me wo virus a ma hye wo fie ono
me se mo me mrinti mo ma enya ntiatia mo ma me
enti no oberima no kro rekese ba ko pefa bra ni mfiti ase no se yemfa makora on person ni oberima bia be crash wo fie
oso on person be ma bia be ba fie o
Kwame unimu se mema mienu be crash a unimu ni ebesi
enti se sia
ye mu frank ye ha wo
edi tokwa
mi dia udi jo kuma kra na ka me handle
na ewu ebeba mu no
fiera mi wo bebre ma wo
ba ko na wo be chem na no ano no
mi wo bebre ma wo
be ma foforo bia ofie obiom
aden
crash ba pe
wo ye papa ye ma ni
crash bio na aka ho ase
me abusuafo a mo ka bie wom ene mpesa mo frɛ pa na mo ka asem papa bi pa na fie rate na wo ahwe se na odwire ojuro ba bedri hwe yeje ye ni we kropon ha nkasa na wo se den chill out ni eyi brackets ni nkrofu fie amanaman be hwa akro farms shoe factory wo ba na anwumre wo se wojuju wo ho no won anije na imranti biara be hu ya na wo se wo be ba ye ncha da asom na akeka na ka fu se ska na enya wa na ye de betu ya wo da
ka imranti mienu be hia
enu na ye wasem ben
aya sika
tete ba me
fiewura so me mpa no wasem
eti me mpa ada wu hia no be hia wo wan chimpna ni
ba me ni police ni asem bia
ba me ye se nka me ni nya asem kire se mi nipa na obeba no wo ho ye chin akura pem ha nyina ya mafuja won ani ye hwehwe kota ye nya bi na me wodan a metu aka den ti na me ni pan ba na
no ama etokuro so ametu gate ani owunya ba bi ana
we ya
no ama etokuro ametu
abusia ma me ma mo mbre mu na mo nkyere ma adwen wasemi hu efiewura se ono wasi ni dan ono a ontua water bill ono ontua eye electricity bill prepaid on Toby and so still ensuo no 7 o'clock obetum on pedede opeso da kokora no dwedwe no ho eno akire no ye no ma omotifio me kire emayiwa ye atifio hoyi obi amfa ne boy me kire no boy ne pe no peso hu no wo fie on peso obehu obi a bi wo fie ho wodi obi foforo ka ho obetu And my way is away and yellow beer. And yam mra ss omojitum. Eti omodi abedam. Eti ofu amoka na sambre e sigina. Mo for my drink today emra 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and then number you use our studio lines you know 0270 191 971 if you're right or you're right and I say sabi emre bi any hosa mami for frefo dika wa homa so odi shebe ni good evening me pa cho wan na me ne ka say wo ka safi Okoman ni obaje mi so ku apemaya no
na ke apemaya no
che wa dwe wa semi o
start kind of
if you run no kwanso ani won
it's a dicing easy
me da say odishe be ni
This is you.
Na bibi aboko de.
Bibi aboko.
Wo kasafi.
Otasefe adoso master professor.
Oh, na samre adoso for mo te den.
Yeah.
Okoman ni. Obaji mi se ofie pe.
Ofie pe.
Che wa adwen.
Efera no ade oye papa na.
Oh. Want to say be kura.
Obama ni se no nya sikabe ti auka.
Hey, asebo. Sabi, Mr. Oh, yeah, papa penny mu. Mo ma join me on Facebook Live. No, papa penny mu. Mutimi nkasa nkyere sa. Debi, mami fo bi wa. O de je be ni.
Ana Kwame Mpere.
Eja Kwame Taylor.
Yes, boss.
Okoman ni.
Akwafuma ya no.
Wo Sinai Junction ubutu ho na orepama de kire wadwe wasemi o.
Yo maombo na juma. Ewura we dey wasa we dey BC da. Hey. Ewura pa ladwo so ntia sa de dey akoso mom di akoso better nye good practice say wo ye ewura wo ntia ladwo. Ewura wo so yi wo de boy ba won pa ba ko. Hey, ani dey there bi ani dey wo ye nenye. Wa wonjai.
Yo. Eja Kwame Taylor me da sepa ma me mfa foforo e wa ahoma no so 0270191971 0270 191971 onyanfo
me say
who say then
ma me fo bi wa audition be ni
audition comfort ni o
Koni Kasafi
adoso master coffee shop
me da say Okoman ni
efiete
audition che wadwe wa semi o
ade fiera no pe girls nana
this who be say no o wa
na sani o ye dia agintire bi eni
Mate ewa dosu me da say ene wa dwenkyire evira
che call an say e ma no me mra na ma hye wo me fie mia na ma to me blocks Kwame ene mre mu cement bo 50 Ghana ba ko 50 Ghana eti se call an say e dan ti say adaka on fa ne de mre ko me na ma si fie wa ha ana so betina mu eti me na ma hye ni Kwame me pese moja bi be hwe agu me fie ho no mo na
moja bi hye nwu na be ko se
mama mi hye mu ma e de asem be
0270191971 0270191971 na if you run am ya ne sa ne ma
me person mi bi sa fie ra se
me na ni sika ne mo mu betu omo
ye ba fie ho no me de mani atofa ma mi hu efie ra ne yere da
Kwame
enu na ya me your boyfriend hu ya wo
Kwame
na hina no wa che na ba ware
me say ma ware o se me ware o me mpa ma mi
wana ko hwehwe wo yire da pressure na wo ma wo ye
audition be ni
audition Saloni
Salo Kasafi adoso boko de okay Okoman ni audition che wadwe wa semi o
Pacho,
yo, me da say, ewa doso, me pacho frame ya. na walowa radio set no ansa wona me aka say say be ma feed say Michelle unya frɛ me apɛ no watwe ho afi radio no ebe afa hye nsuom ya pon dwumadi na koyi na promo ebeba eviera
Kwame
that's right
me say if you know me dia and I'm a shame
obi anim say ya wode ya ba ni so ya mewia ya so ya de ensika
odishe be ni good evening odishe be ni Sarah Kasafi Adosu boko de na Okoman ni
Efiepe
odishe chewadwo asemi o
Ebaso efiera no so no ni won na ontu no nda dan ma wo
one minute to minute now Kwame man na say almost na almost omuntumi
sister are you correct me for down
for say be ma bia obeba mi nya hu ni dan de mema police ache no
we ya major
bema fofo beba bia no ene mema police ache no
ada na wan ware oyire no wan wo mamia e kra da titi
apart from omde na be kire me no ye oba bia mema police ache no
Eyi asem.
Ene am say me sister no dey there becho na me pare me fa me boy mecho for what?
Police station be na.
We me na ye meja na ye me busu na ye me wofa.
Ene o metu.
Metu una man ka na be ha. So imra okrom ha. Imra okrom ha. Na ye ne ebu ye ne egusu say u bet say ye eja tipen ye.
Ene kura mo ko pe ba bia mbeda.
Ene ye de.
Ene mo ko pe ba bia mo beda.
Nka u be hu say meri mama okrom ha.
Ese ba ko to dia mo ko pe ba bia.
Nka u be hu say meri mama e okrom ha.
0270191971 02701919 if you're right say your person but this year baby
I train you
hey I train me na train na Kasafi hello me na train o Kasafi
Kasafi adosa tokro
okay na samre chawadwe wasemi o
Mbacho, pese bibi se firanso, o yele ana.
Mene yere jada o be wara me ana.
Oh, Dabi, bia na o pe wo untu minka, nti na ojojo wo za.
Dabi, omukra emu bia anya me type.
Oh, that one why dey obey.
Oh, sister Che, we are correct what?
Yeah. That's it. All right, Maminfa, I have 2 more calls. 0270191971. 0270191971. If you're running, so Omokromundi camper baby, Omobeda. Omobeda. Is that somebody now about courting tea? Omumpe baby, Omobeda.
Me kwatia. Ghana.
Hey, what's it here?
I said, me kwatia.
Yo, I will be one man. Hello. Oh, went to me and you so. Okay.
Kwame.
Me kwatia. Ghana had Adrian Numra deda. Kwame, now need to Adrian Numra would do.
Audition baby.
Hello.
Audition baby.
Our friend Majo, I make Kasafi
a cropon in for our friend fee.
Me Kasafi Royal
Junction. Okay. Now Royal phone kasa some meet you Okoman.
Nankam pese mi bi se fiera ni se ne dan no poten na we hini abe haibi.
Oh.
Eda no amanfo ha ya.
O ka se mi o se me pa cho so say.
Mi think e be tu de ni so area kito o be semra ni nyina ko.
Mra usika no so me nane ma obium.
Okoman Radio.
Me da say ewo Royal Junction ma me fa last caller. 02701919. O say anka womra na wa hye na betu wani so awia kete.
Kwame anka me tu me so me tu na do dasu.
Ade se na fia me Kasafi Mountain.
O Kasafi
Mountain Adosu
boko de.
Na ya do.
Ene de magijumedie na boso pa o Adosu fo. Mo nkire ma adwe wasemi o.
Pacho ade fiera no te girls nana.
Oh,
our cry eku pa na adwane.
Enye nsem nyina na ye ka to abonten. Nka mo de mbete nsem. Wo hurade na akoto a hey. Wo fi agware na oba hey. Wo hata de a se obi titatita asena. Wo ka benku na ma wo sra so a hey.
Kasa bebre.
Hey. Aden ya kuma.
Mo mpa ba bia mbeda kasa bebre.
be dey aya be yi enfidan nim na fa ye kwacho abonte da na adi nipa ni sa
obi be sign no the car papa be si wa hey
ya pra me ko police station metutu omo dan
you be chire watu police won kra wo show
anadwe wo nya ba
bi me boyfriend ba ku e police ni
ayi se onante kropo krom ha
won kra wo show wo be chire watu se na odwe betumi adi ni ye
na se fie wura sha ne mra na se police be chi fie wura
right abushia media frafo ni nyina si
me nkwati me kwati edu anwumra ye da ekropon bo ebo so enya da na ebutu anka wo se ewurukutu ehabo ebo so a nkrofu fi Ghana mia beje won ani beje from papa anka na Friday se
right abushia
na pesa okeka
madam ase esa ne se asemu ani mra we esese me cross check efi rent control na me kwaji permission bi efi ho na asem we metu asem na hyeda na metu ahyeda na emrepam no mama etiefuo hu enhyehyeye wo rent control say sabio wo be high dan a ehu hia say wo de be ma ba akopɛ be ba be kire efie wura efa ne atworo kra say efie wura ntua water bill eni ni nyina
because mema mienu hia ewo kwa ba ko
etu wo de bammo na ode mom
bambo na me bo
ho
ban abo mi fie ho ban
abofra o hide Ghana mrebu wo abofra o hide da
me bo mo ho ban abo mi fie
ye penfo ye adwuma enim kwa ye de ye ne amafa so obi anye wa abofra obi anye wa abofra obi anye wo ba
ko na ye
sanka ye nim ye